who you and Agada come. I said they don't even hear you from the beginning.
Now me and Mommy Tori D husband. That was my ex-husband. Mommy Tori D. Rhoda, Best Purity. All the names. Yes.
Okay.
If I know you, just that you don't too know me, but I know you too much. I know you well. Yes. I don't follow you since 2020. So I won't even give you the case before, but I'm the kind of person I dey strive for media. I'm not the media person. The way they come to they drag me now, they give me to different bloggers. They use me do yeah. That becomes this cry come meet you now say, as my person, as person where I know say yes, anybody come to you, there must be a solution. That is why I'm here. I really want everybody to put an end to this. I need my peace. And I need my name to be clean on social media. So that make me come here. So, Best Purity husband, now my ex-husband.
Mama Titi, please, anything you are going to say here today, be truthful.
Yes, that is what to make me like your platform. They always watch you, they always tell everybody. If you won't say anything, talk the truth. Should be case if the matter pass here. And I so much love you for that. You and your family, because I'm married. So, that's what we take on. Area of me coming to Germany. After a lot have happened in the past, a lot of things don't happen. A lot. Where we say, many women say, no, even if you take her. Is the area of domestic? It was there. Area of flirting? It was there. Even to the extent, he was even sleeping with his daughter godmother. Our first daughter godmother, even the father were sleeping with that woman. And that woman were married to a white man and a white woman. He was sleeping with the woman, even on top of the man when he married. As the husband and wife, a marriage of 16 years, Papa twins breaker. So all those things, me I not like say you go there, you get your own wife. You dey sleep with another person's wife. So all those quanta day grant. They say now you bo. Me, I don't like her.
Before you continue, that thing where you just talk, so do you have evidence to that?
Of course, now I get the Oyibo picture for my Facebook. The Oyibo they beg me all the time. The Oyibo, I get a number.
Okay.
The woman a lawyer. They call her Katerina. You dey Italy.
Okay.
So that's what we come to do. Every time the man go, they carry knife or they carry something. Say you and all that. Even when I get my last daughter pregnancy, I sleep parlor for 1 week before I gave birth because they threaten me with knife. Say won't dagger me if I tell anything about Oyibo. So I don't even know. Yeah, Oyibo self they do something to collect twins from me. A lot of things happen. That's why I don't want really go there. But where Best Spirit you for start. I did Germany. I take on Germany. The younger brother of Christian Igebo. Now the boy call me. When the boy now me carry and come from Nigeria with my own money. Now I take carry Christian last born. Their last born come from Nigeria. The boy they sleep where I call and say, Ken, come abroad. Since you don't the trouble, say you won't come Europe. May you follow my brother. So by myself, now me carry the two of them come. My senior brother they Italian, now me carry the both of them come. Then the father can't carry, the Christian can't carry the one when senior, which is 3 of them the same time. So as they come, all of some of them they day camp. Me and the man I see gather theirs. Ken come come out after Ken don't stay with me for 3 months. I help and gather him money. He say in the come out. Then Ken come come and say, Mama, you don't carry belly give one girl, but the girl don't go Germany. I now me even advise Ken say go meet her. Tanto, you not get what they do for Italy. Go meet your wife. Ken go. As Ken come out, I think about 2 years or so. Now Ken come they beg me. At this time, I don't born my second daughter because my first born are twins. I can't born the third one. Papa twins can't go Nigeria. All the things, all the money where they pay my twins. He and Oyibo can't come out go open another account. You can't use all the money to buy goods. Load truck with the truck we load. You load that truck with bus, with one Renault car, with a battery and tire and some other things. sometimes I will see television for road. I go carry television with my belly. From belly to head, I carry and come because with the load car. Anything where I see for road, I go dey bring and call for her. I say you can't load the car, you can't go Nigeria. To my own calculation, because he borrowed 5,000 for bank, all the money when he take buy things was about 15,000 euro. So as he reach house at the beginning, anything where he say, go tell me say, I don't say 1 age, you know, he don't say 2 age, you know. I can't say okay. May you go see my people. You don't feel you're going to Nigeria because our plan is for you not to go to Benin. Just finish the market there in Lagos, then return back to abroad. Especially when you know they listen to person, you can't go Benin. You don't go, you go Benin, go overdo, spend all the money. You reach where my elder sister did.
What are they gift now? No, everywhere is dry. My friends are not poor. Then they see rose, use HOA, then they see cow. Support my ministry. I am the only biggest streamer in Europe that brings different topics every day. Better one. One supporting it, please.
Oh yeah, there your head.
Continue, my sister.
So now so the man can't sell everything. As he reach with my sister day, he don't eat finish. Oh, he give my sister children 1,000 naira. First day, second day. So may I just forget that area. We really go through a lot. We forget that area. As he come back, so Ken can't come and say, Mama, may you come Germany. Since we park on, things not they okay with you now. Now so in the sick. You know the feet gets up. Now me they carry and get up. Where you like down there and then the speed go cough blood. You go cough blood. Now me go through where. Now me go carry this man go bedroom. If I anything where they talk, so may everybody screen record and making here. Upon the one we passed through in the past, even when they even discuss, we even talk and when they see, they say you get HIV. I even fight for hospital for Torino. Now later they come, they beg us. Say, see me, see my children. Do I look like a positive person? Before they come beg me, say, me I not vessel. They never check before. Now Percy called them, which is his late sister. I can confirm that. So all those ones we a past story. I would take it for garden. I till they give them food. We sleep guiding me and this man. At the end of the day, you not remember those things. So now I can't tell and say, okay, your brother say me I can't gem you. How you see her? Your brother and his wife. So as I tell him, he can't say, you know what, me will go now. Me will fair, we not be say we not we'll go later. At this time where they tell you, Papa Laura, my children, they sick. If this man day grand, the 3 children day grand. The smallest one, that time she did 9 months. This girl is sick. Oh Jesus, this girl is sick. A point to death, a point. The vein where they body all of the week, overnight. I just give her babies, okay. I don't to join people for prayer during the day. I don't tire and I still get all night that day. I say, I beg, help me nurse this baby. May I just sleep small, I beg. Now I say, okay. I say, as they wake up in the morning, I go dress twins for school. He say, he can't come in for kitchen, say, Victory, not the fee, you know, they respond to Pampers, saying they want change and Pampers. The baby not they respond. I say, waiting. As I reach there, the baby don't stretch. Jesus, now I carry her. I type and shake her. I can't they pray for my daughter. Then we don't go hospital, spend how many days, when they come back from Nigeria. So now I carry the baby. I can't they pray for her. I can't put her for my back. Because they say me I carry and go hospital. I say, last month I did hospital. And the worst part, if I did there, you know they bring me food. You know they bring me water. The one way they will still share for me there as person where they hospital, you will constantly chop her. I don't want go, I don't tire. So I can't put the baby for back. So as I need they work, they call say Alpha. It's still the vomit. The pikin go vomit. It be like person where they give something chop. You go vomit. Nothing where I not do. And so I can't take carry the baby go hospital in the evening. As we reach like there,
they use ex-husband.
Ex, okay.
Tell me the okay. Ex-husband. Because not your husband again.
Not my husband again. So as we reach hospital, now they don't allow us that very day. Which see they tell them I know they go ask because the way the condition of that pikin be, me I don't they fear. As we went to kinder had tell us say, "You not David talk carry, say not David portala de la hospital, ele David morire." I'm not go touch her. If you not carry and go hospital, yes, he said, "He or not David talk carry, I cannot touch her." Say two not David portala de la hospital. If you don't take this child to the hospital now, the child will die.
Okay.
That is what the accident had said to me with Italy. Then that's what we can't go process Sokoso. That is the biggest hospital. We reached there, they don't want to attend to us. We did there. Oh, after a while, now they call attend. Papa Laura, we entered their office just to check the baby. We spent more than 4 hours. All the doctors, both the one with dead duty, both the one with not dead duty, they have to call everybody to come with different machine. I don't know what this man do my daughter. I don't know. When they did there, they drag me. I don't know what he do that picking. Now, so I tell run up and down. I can't they cry. I can't use my body to rub branch. No treatment. The vein where my daughter body don't weak. All the vein don't collapse. No water for your body again. She not they respond to drip. She don't bring out the white eye. No, she not even the breathe again. Not only God just save this day for my hand. I can't they cry. Say, waiting you do her. Only one night. We do the small time they can't tell me say me I come out. They can't carry the baby. They can't inject her for backbone. That's why I lie down for ground. They cry, telling God, you gave her to me as a gift. She will not die in my hand. Nothing will take her. This after waiting for 5 years. When I born twins finish, Belen no gree come because in the follow Ibo. As this one come, they won't come out. I get belle for her. I get belle for. I don't know. I want to talk her. Before this one, he and Ibo kid the picking for my belle. Baby died for my belle. This man.
Wow.
So,
wow.
I mean, they use spy, mama.
Okay, sorry. God bless you. When I get that belly, every time, Ibo go they talk. And so Ibo can't give me injection for us. Because I tell him, say I get pain for my waist. He can't give me injection. I don't know the kind of injection where they give me. That's why I go stand like this. You will be like, say, my body not there with me again. This one a woman with belly. Before you know it, SS do they come and red thing SS. I tell her, say, I know this. And the worst part of all, if I don't do the same room with her, I think everybody will understand that. If I don't do the same room with her, I don't go feel any pain. But anytime, because I always sleep with the twins. I always deal with twins because I want me to sleep deep if I will come out. Anytime where I take come around her, anything will happen, I must get pain the next day. I must get pain. That pain will be serious one. So that's why we take go hospital. The doctor got tell and say, cozy. So with that, I still believe God. Me, I so much believe God for everything of my life. And so we come the later. Now doctor tell me, say, this baby don't die 3 weeks ago. Whether I'm not there aware. That pregnancy was almost 4 months. I can't see pass through that one. I did hospital that they call her. In the tele family, say me I did house. So I really go through a lot. Assets of that, as we can't enter this my baby home. We did there. Later, they tell me, say, the injection where they give her, so if this baby not wake up 2 hours time, may I carry twins, may I go ask. How can they cry? They tell God, you cannot forsake me. With all prayers and all, they don't allow me dead the way in they sign the paper. But when they give the baby injection, now backbone for waste. Now so my baby can't take the hospital. He never reach that kind of 2 hours. I don't sleep as a mother. And they pray. The baby can't wake up. At this time, me, I did hospital crying. This man, they call people for Brindisi, said they won't do union. That was the time they organized Nigeria Union in Brindisi. That they celebrate every October 1st. So I can't cry. Say, so me, I did pain like this. You did they call people like you don't care. If anything happened to this speaking, you will answer questions. Because before this thing happened, I dreamt of it. You were dragging the baby from me. Not too long, you call. You were breathing like somebody that jammed something. And there was also a prophecy from another person. If anything happened to my daughter, you will pay with your life. So we can't quarrel like that. As the baby can't wake up, he can't carry the twins. Before the baby wake up, he don't carry the twins, go house. They can't go house. Me, I can't deal with my daughter for hospital. 3 days, 4 days. The 5th day, I can't tell her, the daughter can't come in the morning. He said, why did I take this baby to Africa? I said, I don't carry my pikin go Nigeria. Oh. Since where I born there, I don't carry them go as all the sacrifice now for them. He said, but somebody go Nigeria where they near this pikin. This infection now from Africa. Now I say, hey, I been don't go carry injection. You can inject this pikin, waiting you go carry for that side. Now the doctor say no. Say this pikin, the waiting they do are not from Africa, not from here. You know, everybody know that they doesn't understand something of spiritual. But for me, I know that that was not ordinary. Because my children, even to date, they don't eat Africa food. They don't eat. So before he come back, with my fasting and with excess prayer where I stop the baby breast. So if baby enough if contact anything from me, maybe transfer to my then to him, to her. No. So what it can happen? I can't be fashion from Africa. When they lie, saying I saw you chew meat, you can't use the mat, they give pikin meat. Now lie. Not that if not that one, doctor go talk and say na meat. Till today, we don't know what happened to that pikin. If I no give. We don't know. With that 9 days where I stay for hospital for Brindisi, this man not come one day. Only 2 times where he come. Now to come eat the food where they bring for me. He not bring me food. He not bring me water. So after 5 days of it, I'll be 6 days. I can't leave the girl for her. Because once I they go bath. Here now children bedroom. Now I clean and they clean my body since. Me I still go bath. Now I can't go out. As I reach, as I cook back jollof rice. I bring come hospital. Because you know they bring me food. We gather it. All the things where I live for us. Both the cloth where the baby vomit put. The plate where they kitchen. Even at joiner. He carried soup with pot enter fridge. This man not touch anything. Not sweep. He not touch anything. As I reach as now I work the work. I can't come back to hospital. As I come back, he come again. Then 2 days interval, which is 7 days now. Me and him they call. He come they talk to somebody for phone say, if for carry twins come house, but the problem, they know they hear English. Around 12 for night. And now I come house and say, who you won't carry go house we know they hear English? You won't separate me from my children. I don't understand. Why you won't carry the children? He say no. He say now one of his brother, where be say if he won't put him for trouble, now he quickly carry the go Nigeria. I say now lie you. This person who you they talk to who? He said, my brother, wife, will get orphanage. I said, so you won't carry twins, go meet your brother, wife, for orphanage. Me and other, you don't buy. Why? He said, not be down one. He said, not be down one. That's okay. Before you they do anything, me, I didn't know. This thing where you they talk to, now my children, you they talk. Because they ask you, say, where their mama, you will say at the hospital. Say, now you can't take care of them. Whereby you are not the one taking care of them. If they won't sleep, you will go carry them for where they stay. Now we can't judge the matter, we can't rest. As I reached out from hospital, that after 9 days, I not call and say they don't discharge me. Because at this time, I'm scared of him. Really scared. Even when I come back from Nigeria, if phone 12 o'clock, phone go ring. I say, go jump up for bed. He go they do like saying they do something for sleep. I go type on. A lot of things where this body carry from this man. That's why I can't take rest. So that day where I reach out, as I carry my baby for months, I called their godmother, my daughter godmother, that is the small one. The woman come beg me, say no. He know say I don't go through a lot these days. He beg me, I call her, make him come carry me. Me I call her, no matter what, he know say the man offend me big time. So now the man, that's the woman talk to, because the woman, an elderly woman, she even join me sleep hospital. Or both they follow me stay hospital, but he not follow me stay. Now I call her, he can't come. He can't carry us, we can't reach us. As we reach us, I can't start the work again. As we just did that, me I carry pikin enter bedroom. I saw this pikin scream, ah! I said, Jesus, wait till you carry come from house. Where they torment this pikin. Now this pikin, now easy for me to give birth to. This one, this particular one. Everybody they go home with 5 days for operation, but now just 3 days. It's just like a normal delivery. Why now, since when you come back from Nigeria, this pikin is also 666. They shout for night. I don't even worry. I can't rest. So inside this process, now me and the brother they talk. Where brother they tell me, say, okay, mama, if not so, may you come Germany. Money not day, things not day well. I not even day happy, but myself I not day happy. Waiting they happen for night, I not feel describe and if they break. I rest. Then can I come tell me, say, okay, mama, they come with a wife. I can't tell this I not get passport. That I never do my Nigerian passport. Cause now you and they use that time. Now I can tell me, say, okay, waiting go happen. May I go do my passport? If I don't do and finish, then I go let them know. We are communicating as family. I got to call his sister for us. That is sister, they live video yesterday. I got tell and say, yeah, mama, see idea we can bring. So I don't see discussing with their father. In they try to tell me, say, he never collect on be, me will fair collect on be feasted. If we don't collect on be feasted, so that we can go together. But me no say you know want collect on the feast because he ready get to Ibo where the assistant for everything. As he go Nigeria, he do marriage certificate come, he not put stamp. At this time, he don't pay bride price, you know all those things don't pass. So now he start telling me say, Mama twins, may you first go. If you go, I trust my brother, you go come. The same he brought, his younger brother said the same thing. He brought that wife, he did social media because that day she called me. I asked her and said, you don't know how I take on Germany. He said she know. I said, then when they saga, why you not come and defend me? He said, Mama, I said, as the story change, you know if you come out. I just didn't understand because everybody wants to secure themselves. Now so we can't do more. That very day, now take come Germany. Now he give me money to do passport. Now me and you go Rome and go do passport. This man know that I'm leaving. He just only said, me will take passport, me will take on the feasted first. Later, and I say, you no. And he was aware of it. And so we can't take come Germany. As I come Germany, I can't call and say, before then, he reach as he can't swear for himself, say, why not wait, make he confess. I go, I tell him, if I wait, make you come. The ticket we will buy go just go like that. I know say I feel shafa, so I have to go. I say started they swear, no swear way, no swear daddy. Because he don't use that wait money way day with me. We want to load the shoe where me buy for grand. We want to use and load car again. Because the way I think they do my stuff, if summer finish, I go put money for shop, collect the summer things where they get, come put them for house. That's why they go different shop, they buy things they put for house. I was having excess. Even the children's shoe where I just buy, it was 350 pieces. Nobody don't wear them. This man pack everything. So that's why I can't take on. Then after 2 days or so, I can't tell us me send me money. Say money will follow me come the children don't chop and finish. Since they don't chop our food, get us the third day. Now the man can't send me money. First time send me 50 euro. Another time send me 150. We were communicating as before. Everything go well. So he can't say he won't come visit us. He can't come. As he come, I just come 2 weeks, he can't come. We still they camp then. Because they get the 660. I don't go different hospital for here where we take on. They can't find house for us. All of us gotta go one house. I can't invite them. As he just come, I buy a SIM card with 10 euro card on it. So they break, I can't carry the small girl, carry and go where children they play. And not theirs. As I come back, my neighbor come, they tell me, say, Mama twins, I surprise you. One boy they call him with a no number since yesterday night. He say he won't talk to me. I say me, wait till concern me concern person from Italy. The only person I get for Italy 9 days yes sooner. He said no. He said the person say him be your ex, your ex 10 nuts, his boyfriend, your ex girlfriend, his boyfriend, like that. Now I say girlfriend ke. I say okay, give me phone. Can't give me phone. As he give me phone, the boy can't they talk. The boy say whether his name Johnson, I be Justice, I don't know. He can't they talk. Now say me wait, me I carry phone, go where the man dey. As I carry phone, reason I call out and say, you know this person. He say you the friend, the girlfriend. How come 2 weeks where I just come out? He don't start to just carry phone from hand. As that is life, he just carry phone, just begin to curse the boy. Now the boy tell him say, give mama phone. My mama won't talk to. Now say, give me phone. The boy can't they talk to me. The boy can't give one swear. As the boy swear, that's when I tell him, say, that swear when you swear, my brother, I say, they your body, I say, they my body. Now me and you get this victim, you know. Not they swear for me, I beg. So the boy, now so you just start. If they go Italy, you won't go beat, now just tell me, say, Mama, so time like this, around 10 to 11, you know theirs. Check this man phone. If they play love since with his girlfriend. He supposed to go his girlfriend place. But you know, the girl they expect her. But because Papa is there with her for phones, the girl no one make him come again. Now it's okay. May you bring your phone. Let me to check that time. Who you call? You not agree, oh? The phone when me even the SIM card when me buy with 10 euro. You not agree, lie. You not agree. The next thing don't carry bag. As soon they come out, they can't snap the fire via number where they walk. He can't snap and so I carry picking for back. I can't follow her. Say bring SIM card. And by the way, why you won't come out? Why you won't go? They tell you say you do something for Italy. You wait when you finish with us here. Go fight for Italy. This man say lie you. The next thing as I follow and drag phone for train station, I know will lie for you. That's what this man call police. He called Balegbe for me. As he called Balegbe finish, he carried the SIM card. He removed that silver this thing where did where did the SIM card, he remove her. So I mean I don't feel control. He break the SIM card, he throw one Obalegbe con. As Obalegbe con, now they can't explain. I tell her, I say, this Obalegbe way you call. You won't spoil my own asylum because why? They don't even know say me or you. My husband not there yet. They don't say husband there. Now only me come. Because you never come. Now so we tell you the next thing. Now they carry my husband from me. They collect my husband. They carry her. The children can't hold your Obalegbe. Say no. You know carry our papa. We must follow you. Now they're gonna bring big car. All of us can't go Ashted police station. We go Ashted. As we reach there, everybody don't talk finish. Now they come ask me, say whether I still want making come house. I say I never even felt portion amo. Now girlfriend the portion and they go. Now say now because of girlfriend they come out. You will still go as he say like say no they go as say no one even see me. Now Balekwa can say how you want to do your children? He say because of say me carry this small one for back, he go rather see twins, he not go see me. And so this man they carry bag, he can't come out. I can't even tell Balekwa say me I won't give him money. Make the tell us just for him to stay because I don't want a broken home and I don't even want any of those things like this. He said like yo, he must go. He don't want to see me. Now so he take come out. As he come out finish, he don't even reach 30 minutes. He don't call me say I don't enter train where they go Munich. I said okay. True you they go. He say yes. I said okay bye bye. He can't go. So without once he come out after like 2 weeks, I can't still beg her because why? I don't want make this marriage break. I can't still beg. I can't promise and say, I don't gather money down for you. If you come, I go give you. You can't tell me, say, before I see they come, I go must give her 300 euro. Before you go enter house. I tell her, say, no problem. Because he pay bride price for those children head. I don't see any other thing, anything where I go tell, nothing. You not even, not be saying a bad thing. I say, okay, me, you know what, if as you come, I go give you. True. As this man, they enter, they don't even know, say, he come second time, oh. They don't know, I sneak and enter, oh. I give her the 300 instantly. They break, me and he come out. He say, okay, me go motion. Me go buy something. We go motion. He said, now the money he use, but I don't know. Now, what he talk? We buy things. I call Gary and go Caritas. Then, all of us see they use Caritas where we come newly. I tell them, now here they say, they pack things where we need, though, where it still good small. Since you the load car, they go as, come carry with my paper where I tell they enter. You come to pack DVD. Now that day they stop me for that Caritas not to come again. And I never go there again. They stop me instantly because of her. That's why I can't take on. My advice where they take, they're not going to give me advice back again. They say they have to investigate this matter before. I don't know what he writes for them. I don't know what he talk. The only thing will tell me that they say for the children to deal with me, he rather deal with the government than to deal with me. I say, what me can't do you now? Because of a girlfriend matter. That's what we can't do. Later, he can't come out. That day where this man they come out, I did fasting. I break fasting because of her. He come out everywhere good. We still they communicate. As he reach back, now he call me say, Mama twin so. I say, He say, Balewa won't come carry house. This thing happened to be in the month of October. He said, Balewa won't come carry house. I say, hey. Another person they call carry us again. I bet this man, the one when I did, I never see her though. Now another person you see they carry they come, so we just fight one battle finish. He said no. He said Balewa now. Whether I don't know Balewa, that Ghana boy where they not car for rubbish. I said okay, I said I know her. The boy na mechanic, so sometimes see they repair his whole car. That's okay. I know. I said now with his girlfriend they come. This way they talk so at least a lot of people are watching us before God and man. Now this man tell me, say Balewa with his girlfriend, they can rent one room. I don't hear from outside person mouth. Now he call me. That's okay. I beg, that girlfriend, make it the need to, before we go destroy within the house. Now I say, you know the kind person where I be. So now those kind of people, they even find to put for the house. That's what we can't deal, Papa Laura. We they communicate, we they talk, he never come. We go talk, how far, he deal, what is up, how things today. You know, that's what all of us today. That's what we just said today. So you can't reach one period of a time. If I call her, you will tell me saying day hospital. I say you they sick? No, you not the sick. And what do you do for hospital? You will say personal issue. What do you go to do for hospital if you know the sick? You will say a personal issue. So almost 2-3 times like that. Before my daughter comes out of the sick again. That night I don't sleep. That October 1st, I don't sleep. Now I call and say, this girl don't start again.
Which year? October 1st, which year?
Papa Laura, this thing don't say. We are talking about 10 years now, or 11 years if I'm not mistaken. But I know the month it was October 1st. So, that's why I can't say, talk to her. You can't say, I beg go, me, I know you're disturbing, you're in a good mood. It was October 1st, that very dance, everybody they wish their family happy October 1st, happy independent. You don't even feel colors. This time it's on a midnight, I take color. You don't even feel colors, and this speaking now, they sick. Meanwhile, all the rapper, where I take buy for people for Ashebi, I sell all of them for Germany. People who know me for camp, no, say I come with almost about 15 human hair. I sell everything. I sell everything just for me to get money to the buy pampers, because sometimes when they give person for Aduras, you know they reach anything. I sell everything, all the human hair will follow me come, because now the business why they do for Italy be that one. I go out, I dey plate hair. People will know me say yes, I be stylist. I plate hair. I get many people. Wait, I get one phone. Wait, that phone. If anybody call on a customer, once I drop my children for school, that's how they work out. They share my number. They do well. I they do well. All those UN people, I can't just get them set. If they just arrive like this, they'll just share my number. So that's why I can't enter you my hair business. As he go Nigeria, he come, he not give me, he not buy anything, can't give me. Because ask me say what thing I need. Now I say I need you my hair. I can't say okay, how much? You can't give me, I think 150 or be 200. Now that money I can't gather joint to start you my hair business. I don't buy for myself. I they buy, they say. So that's why I can't sell all those things. You just tell me that they say, me, I not just disturb am. Now he just in a good mood. Now enjoyment moment in day. So now say I be woman there with you there. Me, I not say woman go there with you there, because this one we say you they enjoy. You not feel use another thing to enjoy. Not possible. That's why I take cut phone. This man no call us again. If I call us not to ban phone. If I call not to ban phone. What it can they happen? You never take there. Let's say in the period of 3 to 4 months. Now a friend call me, Richard. Richard call me. He says that they talk this and they mention name. Now Richard called me, say, Mama Twins. He said, Ata Mami, which is Mama Twins with Ghana. He said, what did Papa Twins do? So he said, not good at all. As all of us know each other from Libya, you're not supposed to do this thing. I said, what thing happen? He said, could you imagine, say, Papa Twins, all they sleep with Balewa girlfriend, which is Clara. Now, Clara, now I know I put that time. Now I say, Clara, how? He said, yes, he saw you just sleep with Clara. Now they don't push up.
Who be Clara?
Now, Clara, she dey be now. This one where they carry best purity, they carry waiting no carry. Now, Clara be her name. Tell it, but now Rhoda be her real name. But now Clara, she take on that time. Now, whether not the way she take work for road, now be that. But now Clara, now be the first name where she dey be for Italy.
Mama Titi, are you sure of what you are saying? Without God,
I am saying truth, nothing but the truth. Just that you know we enter this case where I say need you. You know we enter. if you even because you get big platform, you know most people know about this story. I've said it countless times. This thing I'm telling you, I even cut many parts. Because it's too long. So that's so they say I can call one of his friend here where I assist where they come. Say oh that man Igbo man. I say see what thing happen. They say Papa Twins is a friend Clara. He said I like say not possible. He say Clara will be borrow pit. He say if Christian take himself so low, go friend Clara. He say he go too dead disappointed. Now say now what's in a year? Me now say not even call us so we not hear from am again. So now so the whole matter can start. Not be small dragging, not be small wahala. Me so I can't manage. I don't know how to see a number that time. I got to say you know say this man get wife and children. Are you aware of that? Now so she just started. So this one which she run my just started to insult me. He give me the insult of my life that day. I can't still forget. You can't tell me, say, if I want, brother, tell me this word. He said, if I want, may I see him again. He said, make I beg her. He said, not be only Ogbanje where they go river. Not be only them be Ogbanje. He said, Ogbanje theirs. May I beg you for waiting not be your own. So now, so you strong. So I tell her to make you not worry. God will deal with you by himself. At this time, she they curse me. They tell my enemy, say, Pikin with me a man gather born. I got to use them make money for Germany. Because this question, I asked her that the way she can't do apology to me. I ask her. So now I got to say, you get one work where the children they work here. Now we they suffer the suffer. Oh. The children not they do anything. How many years they did? Then my twins were just 6 years. Now year and Jim year they celebrate 6 years. They were 5 years plus when I break them. By the grace of God, ending of October, there will be 18 years. So
Wow.
yeah, thank you.
This year.
Yes, sir.
They'll be 15 this year. Wow, they don't go finish.
Yeah, they are now adults. So now let me want to trade them as we dey talk. So that's what we can't do, Papa Laura. As we do all those things finish, you don't make mash, you don't do all sorts of things. That's why I can't even relax myself. I'm not gonna drag again. I call the family. I do the man won't tell me. I call the man say, why are you wicked? Why you do me this kind of thing? You remember I didn't know you for Libya. Remember what thing we all go through. Remember saying our operation. Now I take born these three. Where I take born these two happen. Like God bless me with 3. You don't even consider anything. Remember the case we hold you for Torino, for Italy. Remember how me and you take the Caritas. Where Caritas reject you. Remember you take get chicken pox where they say na HIV. Now me fight for hospital. Your family did no one render you help. No one. You forget so soon. So you not talk. I think they do like what I not feel describe. So I don't want to insult anybody today. Now so you just they do. I can't forget. So after much talk, everybody don't talk. I think about 6 months or so, he can't come. As he come, I don't the verse. He just come. He packed things, come. He carry almost 3 bags, come. He just drop everything for ground. He tell me, say, you know, go sleep, oh. In they go. I can't leave and make it go. Because me, I don't they drag anybody, though. I don't, all those kind of things not be my feet. I don't care. He can't come out. As the man come out, 2 o'clock for night, where I be don't think, say, he don't go rent hotel. Now so he park on the knock for window. I shock, wake up. Waiting. He say, may I open door? I said, you say you won't go rent hotel. You don't get money. That's why you can't take park himself, enter house. As he come, now I get up for my small bed, where I be sleep for my small parlor. So because they give us 2 rooms, just a room and let me say a self-contained room and a parlor. I can't come up for the parlor. I can't go my room. Can't sleep in, can't the parlor. So they break. As I go out, I buy a SIM card. At this time, I know alarm touch me. Hoping say you go even say, sorry, oh, you see the verse, waiting happen. That one, you still there, nothing. You not tell me anything. Then I can't see give that SIM card and the €10 card inside the phone. And so this man just started to call woman for where I did. Now be this thing we did with them for us. So they all the speaking. Now that time Shomule, when I Shomule enter Edo governor. Now that time. Because they tell and say, your boyfriend don't win. No. Now I call her. Tell and say, I beg you in the name of God. If I not want to do something, not push me. If you want to make any call, get out of my house. Not make call for you. So that the man go bedroom, you go there. Oh, if I won't use restroom, I not feel enter.
Wait first. Shomole entered 2008. But before Shomole entered, Usumbo was declared the governor. Oshomole can carry the matter go court. Then,
no, not the one of 2008. I think when he come back, but because
when he come back again for second tenure.
Yes, not the 2008. But in 2008 I born place.
The 2008.
No, the second one. Because I hear when they talk to the girl. Now I just hear they tell the girl for say your husband dog finally.
Try remember it's okay.
Okay. So sometimes you go, you enter bedroom, you know, we'll bring come out for bedroom. I'll still go there, take my shower, tell and say, I beg you, the whole lot strong. I beg you, since where you come, I will not fit do anything as we used to do. Now, so you go scatter a cloth, follow everywhere. This person will make my say me, and you know, they again. You go scatter everything. I'll see arrange the cloth, arrange everything. I say, take come out. So, on Sunday happened to be Easter Day. You can't carry phone, give my small daughter. Papa Laura, as he just come this evening now. No, this afternoon. Before 4 o'clock, Mizos don't hold the small girl again. There is something in that man that whenever that man is close to this, my daughter, something must happen. Now that one have reached me to cry to this everybody. May they help me ask and what thing do to my daughter. I have traveled so far with my prayer, with pastors, everybody. They say there's something they give him to harm that child with. I know how to talk amo. I know how I talk this thing. This one in public, I dey explain myself so. Now prayer help me to deliver this girl. I know what thing I go through. That's so Mizos tell all this picking. Picking where just they play since they move around. Said even to the extent I was told, because I know to believe people until God revealed. I was told that the girl will fight for me when she grow up. That is why they are finding a way to pull her away. And it will not stand. Neither will it come to pass. So now so we can't say do me just hold the people. Ah, God, which kind thing again? Now so you carry daybreak, you can't carry phone. Give her, make she take the play. Then I can't carry the girl, go better. I won't go bath her. Then I collect the phone. Only 2 people God directed me to take their number. It was the number of this girl and her mother. I first of all call her mother for Nigeria. I call her mother. I not introduce myself as yes. I not introduce myself. I just tell her say I be the sister of the man, so that I get more thing. I do my tell her say, I tell her say your husband's sister, your daughter husband's sister. He say daughter never reach to marry. Who's the daughter come abroad? He just come abroad 2 years. You don't know whether he get husband. You know, make her not talk. Make the woman hear the shit. I say no, mama, I don't know whether he marry. But now waiting tell us, may we wish you happy Easter. That's so. I just the woman say you won't call her. And the woman call her. As he call her, I can't dey laugh. Already me, I don't do what I won't do. I can't dey wait for action. I saw this man, your boss come meet me for bedroom. Even work and even do your push or work and you come meet me. Who you? What you go do? What you go do? Where you go call her? Now the woman call me back again. She by herself call me. Now I tell the woman say, I not be the man's sister. I be ex. Now me be person we born 3 children for her before your daughter sneak enter. Now the woman come dey shout. Say anything where daughter give her chop. Now they tell no say this is daughter now. Hey, I don't want use strong word today.
Yes.
I drink water. Now the woman say anything we give her chop, the man go vomit her. Even though not from rice eat am or not from padediamo, the man go vomit her. Now so the man just say start. You want come out? You want I lock door. You want pass window. Now so you just say you can't come out. I allow her. Before you come out, Clara don't call me. As I just say, hello, who is this? Because she blocked number. He says, stupid woman. I say, I be stupid woman, right? I say, no problem. That's the way he said, I'm stupid woman. Now the woman house she dey stay. That house where they stay, now my paper day. I be they not tell you, say, now me get the house. You just have the, so he pour all the insults, he pour on top of me. I don't worry because me, I know, say, I don't already draw ray. The ray will definitely fall. And so the man take carry kaya, I can't come out. He come out finish, call, they come, road that they curse me. He go curse me too. I go call him mama. I go conference with him mama. Him mama go curse her back because I don't curse her. I want me mama to hear everything. And so about this, they come out. After 2 days, come call me, come they beg me, say, you want to go back to Italy, you need to see his children. I say, no, you go. You don't need to see your children. Go. He say, you want to see children, you don't want to live like that. He come they beg me with his late sister. That one don't die now. Sorry, that one don't buy. And so I can't say go. I can't say, okay, make him send me ticket. If he send me ticket, I will come. You can't send us ticket. Now we can't go meet him for motion. As we just meet him for motion, we go McDonald's, we eat together. Tell us, okay, since now go, you dey go, so take care, bye-bye. Because me, I not go allow me come second time. Because he push this speaking before. Because the beginning tell us, not come and ma police again, the way you call before. I say take push. And so me, I don't want me to collect my picking because of her. And so you take go, Papa Laura. As he go, he never even reach a week. I just sleep for afternoon. As he say, he number die my phone. That I just come back for school. I can't cut her. Because he call again. Now say, me I your pick him. Maybe I don't know what you want to tell me. I hear they listen to them. They talk to the friends for inside car. He said when he go see family for Germany. If not because of saying don't commit himself into Clara, the girl will give him 50 cents. 50 cents. If for you follow the German girl, go blow her. But because I say Clara don't get belly, he no want hurt the girl. Now so phone you take day my hand. I hear they listen to their conversation and not talk. Then now about 3 of the night they said that card that there before, but the voice where I hear OZ, Bright, and him. So now Bright come tell and say, Papa Twins, he get one picture where Clara snap. That picture into like Now Papa Twins say, okay, make him bring the phone come on. As he just carried the phone, he say, "I say Jesus in woo." In doctor, Mama twins daylight, Mama twins daylight. I not talk. I did phone, I not still talk. I never cut the phone. As in the chat, what did he do so? Now I cut and drop phone. He call me. He called me reach like 5 times. Because within me, Jesus, within me was really boiling. Waiting I go talk now, where you go take, where you say the matter, we can't dare against me. Like I know that time for just do what I won't do. Me, I know say na me wrong. So now so you can only thing when I tell and say, Oga, why you wicked? You wicked though. With all this stress where I don't go through from you, miscarriage, here and there, battles here and there, your family go do you yourself now another person where I don't feel control from, where I don't feel control. If you say sit down and line, there you go stand stretch. So to pay me back, now to carry belle, give this girl. So then I don't know say this girl come with pregnancy. Me, I never know at that time.
I want
say
to ask you one question.
Yes.
You know, say I thought I would only live on my platform.
Yes.
But when all these things they happen, so that man, so don't put money for your head that time.
Yes.
As at then, you were a wife.
Yes. Yes.
Do you have evidence to this?
Yeah, I even get the picture because I reserve one for my children. The one where in day alone, I don't tear her, but the one where and those children they.
Very nice. If you really have those pictures,
I have it.
I would like to see it.
Okay, I'll bring my album comment. The one where laying day, I don't tear her.
You're already a wife.
Yes, I was never a single mother. No.
All this stress.
So
all this stress. Okay, continue.
Yeah, I was. I have the picture that we both. But the one who laying one, I don't tear that one. The one where me and did that one day. So now so I can't tell and say, oh, this is how you pay me back. I don't even enjoy anything with you one day. Since I know you, it has ever been one stress to another, one problem to another. This is how you pay me back. I said, but don't worry, my God will pay you back. For every pain you have made me go through, you will go through it. So that's why I can't say cut the call. Small time don't involve family. Involve family, we quarrel, don't reach to return bride price. Give me my bride price, give me my bride price. I say, I'm not going to return bride price for you. I'm not going to return. As long as say me, I still did there. I'm not going to return. So, we can't do, I still they wait for her. I think after almost 2 years, I can't do relationship. In that relationship, he can call me, say, okay, make a return bride price for her. May we still be friend. I say, what it can be the respect? If I return bride price, can't still be friend. What it can be the respect? I not fit. So almost 2 years before I can't get relationship, they call, they send us anything. And the place where we the supermarket not day. Ordinary to buy card, you need to enter.
Hold on, the little one we still know. When me really did always they talk for a live stream, she did like say, he don't know you, he don't see you for the picture. He don't know what you they talk about.
She can never say the truth. I think I have a proof of she calling my present husband, but she got on a live video says she never called my husband. I have a proof that she was threatening me. She said I'm the one fighting her. All those proof I have them on my phone. I have them. First we say not see me for picture.
One person
yes, Papa Laura. Person say you not meet me for there. How come that she called me, tell me that if I need this man, I should beg her? Was it spirit that spoke to me? She was the person. Then I'm telling you about it. This one was 2014, 15, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay, continue.
Okay. So now what I just tell the man, okay, if not so, I can't do relationship. I don't one day post anything for her. Small time go call me. Because I said I'm not gonna marry you gay. It means say you not go fit find man. You they wait for me. If you they wait for me, you not go walk. You go talk even and it. I'll just they laugh. Or think that time he never even move. Come meet your wife. Oh, that at this time the girl don't born. The girl first me born. First me born the first daughter. First me born the second boy. I never born. I never enter anything. I never did anything. I still did they wait for her. You get to a time where I enter relationship. I cannot lie to anybody here. When I see, say, my mind is to be on my place. It's better that I'm there than to allow another person to take care of my children. Then I have to call him and say to him, I know say I don't enter relationship, but I don't want the relationship. I want us to settle. Let me go and do the right thing. This time I never returned bride price, but I've waited for him for 2 years. Let me come back. Let's settle this, please. Now there he start to Jesus who say make I talk am. Now there he start, he don't start, he don't go tell this girl. Hey, this one don't carry the news, don't they spread me, they go. Even his late sister say, I for not pass time like that. I for let time come. After everything, now you can't know whether you go do what you supposed to do or not. I say, but I don't want to put anybody's life for danger, especially my children. Especially those children, they are so dearest to me. So anything will go cause my children pain, I will never involve myself. So as I try reach, I try. You know, work. I even buy gift to wait for her. Not be iPad and life pad. I can't buy one. Wait for her for a birthday. You not come, nothing, not even bother, not even care. You not to mock me, you not to laugh me, you not to curse me. That's why I can't take carry myself. I can't forget her completely. It was not easy to forget. If you are a woman, you can know that it was not easy, but I have to. Or the children need me. And where we then, and where we say any slicing mistake, they don't collect the children. And this my plan is for the government to take the children from me so that he will go there and collect them. That was every time. You know, that is what he always say to me. That's how I can start my life. Oh, finally, I already done lost the first relationship. Not too long, I met my husband and we began the journey gradually. She go curse, she go do all sorts of things. And nothing where this girl never do me. I not do anything, no. I not, she go call me name Osunde. All these are what she they call Osunde, na me. Osunde, no name. Now so you get stretch mark, no name. I think a lot of people know about this. Papa Laura, I was bearing it because one, I'm not a medium person. I'm not a social media person. At first, I no request for height. This one where they come the judge now. I no request to all because maybe everything will still day okay. I saw me and my husband can't take day. I not post on one day. I not care. But when you can't get problem for Italy, when they come here, I don't know anything come because that one not my business again. Before you come, you can't get problem for that house where we rent. That house, I tasted at my house.
Wait to cut the story short, because we go cut them now too. Because if matter reach here, we need to settle it once and for all.
Yeah.
You talk one since when I want to rephrase you back to, but I just want to make you go far first before I go ask you. You talk about yours now, so you say before you return bride price, you can't beg the man, say me you do the necessary thing, say you be no one with the marriage break. What was the necessary thing that you were begging the man for to do?
Okay, I just said that when I when you don't come out, I waited for 2 years. As you know, I can't enter relationship. I said it here. So the relationship
that time.
I never return. Because say they call me, he don't move on.
I understand that part.
No. So I can't beg her.
There was a video.
I can't
wait. There was a video when Mommy 3D still do. I think there's another way.
Some years ago.
When she do some years ago, according to people who they call me outside WhatsApp. There was a video she did to apologize to you, that you should let go of everything and all. Would you come bring this issue of you and I again? We make you come back.
Okay, Papa Laura, that time when she do apology to me, I even talk. I said, okay, you don't do. Everybody did as we did. She did an apology. If I send all the things for you, I have it. You go see the apology, be like Percy, we be say, you want me to quench she and Mommy Joyous case. She wants that area to off. I even ask and say, now because of Mommy Joyous, you can't call me. Or you just come on your own because she was insisting for me to stop Mommy Joyous. Now I said, if you rest, Mommy Joyous too go rest. Me two of una rest. I don't know what you the drag. Now the time where you and Mama Laura can't have issue. Anytime where you should take the media, if I talk, na problem. I know if you talk. Where I not doing that her. As I hear talk, put say you don't still reach there. Everybody they talk, now I talk and so she just come back again. Come carry a group, go TikTok. They are not there TikTok at this time. So I know they talk. I even they talk say, oh, Mama Laura, you know wash well. Not be everybody cook come they give person for traditional marriage. Hey, only like now accept. You understand? This is what bring the issue back again. It was because of the misunderstanding between you and your wife. You say why I talk put. Now she bring me back. At this time, she not bring me back alone. She give me to.
Why you talk for me and my wife matter?
Now you bring the matter.
Yeah.
Now you bring the matter second time. I'm wearing it. Where we are going? Say why I talk put. Now you bring the matter second time. As matter day now, waiting still bring this one where we dey so because she the insult single mother. I tell her, I say you two, you are not free. I bet that first daughter we need test from it. You the insult single mother, you are not free. Even the man is a single father. I not fit talk, Papa Laura. Why I dey here? If I talk for matter for media, this guy go carry pumping, come they insult me, go place my video, not bring out my picture today with my husband. That last 2 years. Bobby bring my picture with me. I don't answer them. One thing about me, I know they answer them. They go do insult, they go enter us. I not be mean there, but I really want to put an end to this. Now you chop, now you collect, now you they fight me, now you they cry. Now what thing I don't feel you understand? Not be me they fight you. I not get your husband contact. That man never called me for the past 4 years or 5 years, if I'm not mistaken. He never want the same gift. Can't give these children. I can't bounce some back. And he never want they say he come. He can't come look for children. I can't pursue one. I never see a thing like that. Why bully me? Why? Could you imagine last 2 years November? They from Cologne come, they won't come beat me for my city. Papa Laura. Or my name my real year.
They be one waiting.
They won't come beat me for my city. Because they do video for me, I do video for them. If they trace me, go the Africa store where for they buy something. At that Africa store, they happen to be my pastor. They go there, they spend 3-4 hours waiting for me. They think say I go come. Because they come back for Duisburg. I can't brush the mama shop. Because mama and my pastor, you know, every day I always try to reach them. So as I reach there, I can't do with the mama can't tell me, say, my daughter beg. Because of your position for church, all those things you don't need them. And your children too, they don't need them.
Wait. Mommy Tilly, I know say you go to watch this program with your husband. You know say for years, so if they bring matter come for me, I dey treat am, no matter how you be to me, regardless of who you are. If you know say you get anything where you want still come talk, you have every right to request. And moderator will still bring you up. According to what they make this woman come this evening, she said anytime she take talk for relationship affairs, they always come the attack her. Everything where she don't talk so far, I not go feel use that to judge you because I never hear your own side of the story. Although you they talk sometimes about your ex, about your husband ex, and stuff like that. Sometimes I'll still watch for like 5-10 minutes. I'll still come back for there. But if you wish to climb my platform, I did not ban you here not to climb my platform. You can come up and climb. May you can still talk your own. So me say I reach you. Meanwhile, madam, you don't marry another man.
Yes.
Despite say you don't marry another man, the children when you born from a material husband is the biological children of that man.
Yeah.
That man they ask for those children.
No. Mama Rhoda say not go green. She said she not go green.
Why?
I don't know.
Like this, so. Now my wife they remind me I say my daughter, my first daughter who did Nigeria money.
She said she not go green. He talking for live
Right.
video say he talking for live video say the man don't even know whether these children they exist. Even that time where the home matter.
For like how long?
My last born was a year and 2 months when Papa see and reach. Now my daughter will be 13 years for May. Already a year and 2 months. The
What's
twins.
the bad news?
It's the
What's the bad
same
twins?
the same day, the same time. I think twins was 7 years then.
You get when you tell your ex-husband say you know go oversee those children. You don't ever punish her with children before.
No. Even Papa Laura, the time I told no this my husband. I can't say the children want they develop love of a father. I can't call her. Then we see they communicate. I never come to know Westphalen. I can't call her and say, you know good though. Say you dear alive. Another man will take your space. No good. I tell her, say, okay, if they get all, they can't see those children. You know, not be for me again. He said this time at the time we take the enrich papers. Now I confess say, why be say anytime person take call you must get excuse, God. That's I can't say pass. As we can't still reach here during Corona, after more basketballs, woman abroad, the returning of bride price and all, you not agree take bride price. You not take. Even when I born my first son, he will call me like this, say, where my son? I say, God forbid, I reject you. I'm not born boy for you. I'm not born boy for you. Now my husband's son, not be your son. So you can't go tell somebody saying go do me reach that extent. You know go take a bride price.
I beg before a momentarily go come up. Mojuto Iao.
Yes, hello. I
If
understand. No, Wala.
Madam, you
Yes, ma'am.
talk rich, no machaton.
No,
I don't
no.
think you don't want to
No, I don't have any business with her, ma'am.
don't match a tongue. I'm not dropping you, but please just don't match a tongue when maybe.
But they come, Papa Laura, make she respect everybody here. She don't need
No,
to.
you know it's set as this now.
Okay. I know it's you know she's very good in that aspect.
You know insult her, and please, nobody should also insult her. Please, I beg.
No.
If she's that's it. Mommy 3D, if you did against single mothers, for example, and me can say I did in support of single mother, does not make me an enemy. That's why they see PDP and APC. PDP and APC members, they sit down, they eat together. They are brothers and sisters. You might not support what I support. You might not want. That's what it mean. So please, no, don't drop there. Yeah, I'll come back. Please, come back. No, nobody should drop anyone for now. You'll come like that because of monetary dynamic, we can't drop them. It's not done that way, please.
So why should they call single mothers now? Because
Now you drop yourself.
I may drop myself, and I person drop me.
now because of the money from Uta Heights, Papa Laura. Now I make her she dey call single mother because they send letter.
Your own side now. This is the other time when
No, before she go come talk, before she will come explain the area of single mother, let me quickly speak about that area.
Okay.
Because she know say I do traditional marriage and church wedding. So anytime when they send a letter, she they reply and say I don't marry. Then they tell her and say nine. Say I never marry because I marry tradition and church, but by law I never marry, and I'm not gonna do that marriage because of my children. But anything, yeah.
By law, you don't marry.
No, by law I never marry. By tradition and church wedding, I don't marry. You understand?
Wait, I don't.
No, I don't marry for court. Now waiting I maybe that one.
Yes.
So if government won't address you now, they will not address me as a married person now. That's what it be for Dutchland.
Oh, but traditionally, if you come out for a year good Nigeria, you're a married woman.
Yeah, I'm still a married woman with my husband. We are both here. My husband is here with me. But by law, because I don't do court marriage. Now, because of my children, I don't do one. Because if I do one, my children will only bear my husband's name. My husband will carry the responsibility of the children, which I will not do that. They are bearing their father's name. That man will take care of them through government. So now what should they fight me for? Every month, every January, there is same letter of Unterheit, go give her. As of 3 years ago, 4 years, if I'm not mistaken, I think the bill where they give her was 30,000 euro. And that one they trigger them. I know they hear you, Papa Laura. I know they hear you. Papa Laura, I know they hear you. I know they hear you. Oh.
Man and wife will do husband and wife discussion. Wait.
Okay.
I don't know what be the issue between here and how we will not fit talk put. You know what I mean? This is a corridor too.
I like it. God forbid. My own may leave me for waste. May leave me and my children. Me, I know anything where they do. I don't drag the man. Not concern me, concern the man. And I don't even stop. I may not concern children if he wants, if he like. He even say, may the man not come. Say, now I go use something to touch and the man not go no road again. That one to the extent, they call my husband, they threaten me, they lie for my husband. I want those things to stop. She not get any right to they call my present husband. Rhoda not get right. He not get right to they call my husband. I don't want.
Mama Titi,
remember, Papa?
Thank you. You don't hear everything he talks since. Man, they gift now. See how you're dry. Hey? Is this air? Besunu. Let's speak it now. What's happening here? I beg. Mommy Titi, when you dey explain this, she not dey up. I don't want me I can't bring her up. I can't exchange word. The things when you talk, I don't write the few ones down when I feel remember. May you go down, make I bring her up. If you don't explain finish, I go bring you up.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
Yes. No, that's the rule here. I don't need problems here. When this woman was here explaining things, wait, that's why they do something. When this woman was explaining things, she was not here. So now, this is not now me want to like that. Make this woman go down, make my material come up, finish.
No problem. If you drop me, hey, Laura, I did.
It's a very fair judgment. Okay. Now, Mommy T. When I bring my material for peace, I know how they talk. If you bring a call here, we know if you settle this issue. I know say people want like make their two on the exchange words, but not before here. And I know me say I not be biased person. I'm a very straightforward person. Sometimes I might go beyond what you want me to do. But that is why I'm different from every other people, to avoid quarrel. So she cannot come up. Please you push your car for me. She cannot come up and also explain the own side of the story. You cannot verse with Julia Saga. I know Julia Saga. I know. But we are trying to see who is telling lies and who is telling the truth here. I'm supposed to know who is telling the truth and who is lying. So she should come up and I will get issue. So make she come up. When I bring her up. Here we walk with ya. Hey, you got here, man. Yeah, we go with that. But we go.
Wait, me and I be well when they difficult.
Oh, wait. You don't work here. Oh, if you want to get boy now. If you work here, I never wanted to say, and they give preach medicine to person. Yeah, we preach our Lord. Even wake here, go social media president over wake here. I don't give medicine for preach. Mommy 3D.
Epa Domo, good evening, sir.
How you doing?
Epa Domo.
Yes.
Oh yeah, ba. God I beg.
But yeah,
Afure Epa oh. Epa, thank you very much. You know, say you be one person when I respect so much. Oh, another person not go call me make I answer. No be this planet Earth the person dey oh.
okay.
Epa, I don't really. If you see this story now, she narrated the story with 1 hour 9 minutes. Yeah.
Ah,
Yes.
we took record of
You
it.
dey want me 1 hour 9 minutes. Epa, e no funny. Ah, Epa.
Mommy 3D, I
Epa.
don't know why you tell you I swear to God. So you mean you screen recorded 1 hour 9 minutes?
Yes, and this record is still ongoing as we are talking.
Okay, continue.
Thank you. Epa, I
Yeah.
beg, with all due respect, and because I own you like I owe you high esteem, yeah? I beg, it's been 12 good years. Help me ask this woman, what does she want? That is just the question. No, I don't get what I want to talk.
Wait, oh, Mommy 3D. Before I will ask this woman, what does she want? I want you to debunk the things she said as evidence to back up your claims.
Epa,
After you don't debunk the thing when she talk about you, then we can now ask her, Madam, now that Mommy 3D have explained her own side of the story, what do you want?
Epa, I never talk. I still dey talk. I just put that one as number one.
Okay.
I never, Epa, make you mute. It be like say you dey church. And Epa, I no know why you no wear that cloth for my matter today. Oh, now so you dey do.
That judge, I don't know say your matter will come
Hey, that
up.
was yeah. God, it's okay, Epa. Oh. And again, all this narration wey this one don narrate for the first 49 minutes, she no call my name. Oh. If you listen very well, she did not call my name in her narration. It was toward the ending part, which is very good. And Epa, please, with sincerity, I will beg you to ask her all this story that she just narrated. Yesterday, she did one and she said, make I go bring juju paper come. You know why they are pissing at your platform? Because now you go for sweet me. Now, I want to know, and I want you to ask her, all this accusation now when she don't put for my head, if I really bring that juju paper come, she go answer am. Because why? The story
Hold on. What do you want bring juju paper for her for?
because from the beginning to the end of what she narrates is what I know nothing about.
Yeah.
Yes, Epa, I dey tell you.
You see why I drop that woman?
Epa, hold on. If you crash that, I will call down and me a person when not they marry again one con dey exchange word. Epa, see, receive call finish, but I tell you, no be to come platform, come talk. No be when they will come bring juju paper, or come they say na church una dey go. Wait.
Oh yeah, Mommy 3D, I dey hear you. Hello. Hello, Mommy Tori. Sorry, my people, for the break in transmission.
Sometimes we need the break.
Yes.
Epa, they hear you.
As I've earlier said, and according to you, this woman explained for 1 hour 9 minutes. All the explanation of this woman, I feel they rephrase them, they jump on because of time. I feel they ask you what she talk, maybe they debunk.
Epa, I say, I not be small picky Epa. Epa, I say from the beginning, just ask her. According to Ram, she say, yes, you were very smart from the beginning. You say, madam, be truthful, oh. No be the one that call they talk, you call they say. Help me to ask her again, because I have a voice record where she said, make me go bring juju paper, come. And he no go fit reach your table now, make you cut her say, no. So, see, Epa.
Before you go bring juju paper, wait, Mommy Tori, wait, calm down. Now, you know, say for this platform, so we know the bare matter for here. Before me go come ask her, say, the thing where you talk about Mommy Tori, if Mommy Tori bring juju paper for you, you go fit answer. Meaning you don't already explain your own part. You don't already explain to the world, say, see what this woman talk, or see how it happen. No. After you don't explain your side, before we go call the ask her now, say, now when Mommy Tori don't explain your own, e not come enter with the way you explain your own. So now, if they bring juju madam, you go fit swear. Not be say you never explain your own side. You say, make me go ask her. Say, everything when she talk, whether she go, I don't understand.
Epa, you don't already ask the question for the beginning. You know, say my matter they always a day different.
I don't, before she starts.
Yes.
That's the question I go still ask you as we explain. So this the way you want to talk, so Mommy Tori D. No lie, yo. Still tell me the truth. As you can see, she did not insult you. All the 1 hour 9 minutes.
You there when she they call me this thing. You there when she they call me. You they want me.
And also, maybe when she talk this thing.
It's okay, pa. My own was different. It's fine. See,
Mommy Tori D, if you talk so your own go different, you go be like say I did bias.
Epa, no. Epa, wait. You now my brother. It's okay.
I not be biased person.
Epa.
If I be biased person, Mommy Tori D. After they talk all those things, I will say, really?
Not today.
They matter.
Epa, welcome.
This not the way I tell you when that woman they explain for not come up. That's the truth.
I know.
For your own mind, you say, hey, pardon, already decide already, self, no need. You came up as a result that you watched me, you watched my body language and all, and you realized that I did not take side with her because I need to hear from you. So, what thing I want me you do be say, the things where the woman accuse you of, it is now 7,003 people are watching. I believe this is the best time for you to explain yourself. Probably, maybe you are not going to get this when you are in your own life. Probably, I don't know. Maybe if it pass. But now that you have this kind of amount of people watching, and this woman said everything she said in this same amount of people, it is your own duty as a wife now to that man to debunk everything that woman has said. That is the truth. So that it will not look as if maybe, if you not explain the truth, now what I tell you so. If you not explain, then you know get not a biased person. If you not explain, now become go the ask that woman say, everything when you talk about Mommy Tori D, you feel swear then I'm not a biased person. Because you did not explain, you are now using what she explained to the general public to ask her question. So please explain your active now. So explain your own side.
It's okay. Now, from 49 minutes, she not talk about me because I not there when she they sick. I not there where we both with girlfriend. Nothing. I wasn't in that picture. So I like she talk say now. So yeah, my husband can talk on whatever day. Like I cannot even see. If I know my husband October 1st, 2014.
Okay.
Epa, they underline every of my statements.
Yes, you're old now. I don't underline now.
Correct. Epa, I came to Europe September. Epa, no they make up because I want me you pay attention. Now you
No,
dey.
I didn't tell that. That's why I said that you now since man don't forget.
Okay. Epa,
Yeah.
I met my husband October 1st, 2014. Every day now they use and they shout for TikTok. Yeah.
Yeah.
I came to Europe. If you hear when he talk, say when my husband come their place for October, now so he come my mother come say Piki whenever we just spent 2 years abroad. I came to Europe September 14, 2013. Epa,
Okay.
how many years interval be that one where I tell you my husband?
1 year interval.
Thank you. So October 1st, let me tell you my husband. My husband not told me say I want make you marry me or I want make you do something. We were just normal like a padomo. Brother, I greet you, normal greeting. Long story cut short, when I started dating my husband, this woman not call me. I don't know this woman. My husband tell me say he be get wife for see what happen. He explained to me say the woman don't carry children. Come out to all those kind one not be my problem. I agree to date him because now man will be say I know me meet pikin, I know meet him with woman. So when you hear me,
Wow. And they hear everything.
okay.
You said you entered Europe September 12, 2013.
September 14, 2013.
2014. And you met your husband October 1st, 2014.
Thank you. So I they tell you this thing now. Not they tell you become a conversation for not they talk say this one. I don't really care. But
Maybe you forget about conversation.
Epa, they tell you. I am just trying to tell you.
Just they explain. I like
Now,
us to explain.
now, Epa, I come meet my husband. He come tell me. He asked me out. He told me. He can't explain to me. Say I can't answer. Say you get wife, you get children because I don't want wahala. For example, they come tell me say woman be born for her. Blah 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 blah. See what happen. I say okay. If that's the case, no problem. Then we started dating. During dating now, I took in which he accepted and said okay, no problem. Make I leave the pikin. Epa. Then it's my pikin there 4 months. Then I went to Nigeria embassy in Roma. On my way going, now nobody call me. Husband snatcher, ashawo. You think say we know here saying ashawo you they do for there. You know normal thing now. Person wife they call person girlfriend for example. Now so this person you take come and say who be this? He say you know normal way you carry belle for ashawo that pikin go die for your belle. That pikin go die for your belle. Now you and that pikin go die. If you born that pikin me.
When did they make that call?
When he tell me that call, I came to Jamie June 2015.
No, when did they call you? When did they call you? He sought you say,
I did Italy, bro. I did Italy. That was
Okay.
I came to Germany June. That should be around April. That Easter period.
Well, that's in 2014.
2015 now. 2014 don't end where I tell meet my husband.
Okay.
So now the woman can call me. They insult me. This is somebody I don't know. I have not met her. I don't know her. I don't know how she look like. She can't call me, they insult me, they begin to so good for my mama. God of Israel, Psalm 91 verse 91. You begin to curse. Epa me now. I can't fair leave her. She can't call me again. Now I begin follow am up. The go way this life I pass and give her. Now say I don't understand. I know you. Which one be say which one, you know? So when I get home, now tell my mama say, babe, see you. One so person call me. Anyway, trust me, I tell her my own too, you know? So now my husband tell me say say na in ex-wife wetin they call me for, you know? Their matters are dated tomorrow. It not really concern me. You know understand? So the woman call they insult me, always calling me, Yashawo, this or that one, this or that one. Epa tomorrow or this night, I will give you number of person when me rent house for years for that city. When she they talk say I rent house for their house. Me I don't know where for rent. That's why I saw that she feel swear. So now, say my enemy, where she talk now want the ponko, my enemy they date Ghana man. Now the Ghana man, now me follow current house for my husband house. Epa, since I come Europe, I am not trying to say these people are not people. I have never dated anybody apart from Uromi person. My husband is the first outside person I dated, now I'm married. So all this one come pass. I got surprised that at their house. My mother called me say, the woman, because I don't really explain to my family, say, man, why I want marry person, fair born for her, blah, blah, blah. He said the woman was born for my husband. He called her. Say, what's happen now? She be me, I said, the man and the woman not there again. Now say, mommy, he call you. How you just see your number? You they get me? Now my mother call say, my pikin no know. Now say, mommy, no worry. Instantly, I changed SIM for my mom. Since that 30 dates, ask her whether if he come and my again. That first call now she make where I take change my mom's SIM card. So long story cut short, I can't call Germany. As I reach Germany, I don't know where this woman dey, not about her concern me. I saw if they live my life. So when my husband can't come back, my husband can't call Germany because they finally, when my husband want go do change the driver license to Germany on, he can't reach where they want put children. My husband called the right because I don't already born my first daughter before my husband finally comes stay. My husband called the right our first daughter and they put. Now I say no, don't be people senior. You forget say that Germany those children they first write all those one own before you can write this one join away position they. My husband say no, say that woman will not agree make talk to children. All those kind annoyance something. I knew he was angry. No because say if you know the verse, no be the right thing to do. I can't collect the form. I feel by myself. Now I can't write and put say so person. You don't understand. Then my husband submit the form. After about 3-4 weeks, you know how Germany they do that thing. They can't bring fan for my husband. Say your husband they Munich. Sorry, he get children for Munich. You they get because now you don't put it that as for grant. They can say they can write and say his children they Munich. Say those the children don't they chop government money since say make it come pay. Now my husband carry the paper. How much be the money? 30,000 euro. I no lie. They come bring that con. So my husband with help of my godfather for a year, we sort them. We say fine. Now children, if now born they if now the children they with no give them food job. So we can sort all those ones. Okay, now this man come they try call this woman say make I get access to these children. You know that's
After
that.
they pay the 30,000 euro.
They pay 30,000 euro once. It always here. No now. There's no sort that one don't sort like a ladish. It don't do okay. You know understand? So my husband was kind of telling government say he no go fit they pay for children when you know they see. Now they tell and say that one are the one where they chop where you know they hear. You they get. So because of that plenty story from Munich, they call give my husband for a year. Where they not where we day, not just 45 minutes so. They call carry them, call give my husband for a year. You they get. So my husband I they try to make sure say, okay, he don't fit get access. They talk to these children, a pa. Now this woman say, big, no go green. Me na snake. He don't see me for dream. Now so me can't turn snake, I can't buy time. He can't use Holy Ghost fire to bomb my head. Now so in the name of Jesus, he begin they thought, my enemy na wish. Now so my mama confess me. Now so all this one, I say, to. You know concern me. If you say me the man not speaking, now you're thorough, now arrest. So at a point in a certain time like this, he get my husband get cousin for the city where she dey, brother Roland. That one took on jump there. I know one talk that one not there. Now wait till that one talk. That one called they try reconcile the children with their papa. This woman say big. So long story short, I tried my best as woman maybe say your husband fair get children. Now me they carry phone call this woman. If he pick, I go give my husband. This is night, almost 12 a.m. If I dey lie, make God bear me witness. Now me go carry phone. I tried to make peace. She talk and get the record. I go send her for you. I tried to make peace so that this man go feed it. He and the children go feed day. This woman say la, he no go agree because he dream say I be wish. He see me this one that one. Okay, fine. At a point, I still put in my efforts. When I can finally settle this my husband now, and this is SO, now children me want to unite with the papa oh, no be SO. Epa na my part they talk oh, I know they talk with I put with the woman now the man oh. I can't try reunite these children because you cannot access the children without their mother. Remember, now I can't connect these two people. They'll call the Epa. Before I know, they don't tell my husband say that they do one meeting. Maybe my husband can't join one meeting. Then they do one meeting, and I saw the meeting now. What harmony arrow? Now so the meeting now. This amount made the man they do the. You know, I don't know. You know, go feel understand, but that is what happened. You they get me. So at the end of the day, we can't make plan. We can't make arrangements on how we go fit see these children because my husband cousin dead there. That one took all they do in your part. So at the end of the day, this woman, my husband can't tell. He still talking for record. That record that he did with me, I go send her for you. The woman can't tell my husband, say, my husband can't tell the woman, say, okay, if he come, he won't talk to your husband when you married to now. Make it tell and say, at least make it still greet her, tell her thank you. The woman say, lie, what it concern your husband, concern He should the papa will call greeter. No, he no go gree. Now only then demo. Now my husband say, okay, no wala. And if you dey call, no bring that your witch come. This one a person.
Before you continue, I want to quickly ask you just one question. The moment you realized, so your husband get X, did you ask your husband that question that did he pay the woman's bride price, or you no ask?
Okay, now why not? As wife now. If I wait. According to the story, no be my husband even tell me. I already don't hear the rumor since. Now when I come with my husband, I go say, now you be papa twins. Now so it be. Ask her, they marry him. Now she even still use her mouth talk ipa.
Hold up. Before you met your husband, you were hearing a rumor
Yes.
about your husband and this woman.
Yes.
And when you later met your husband,
Yes.
you ask your husband if he's papa twins.
Yes, because my husband called the term Epa. No, now Epa, wait, why they do like that?
Continue, no. Because now what you talk, no, I just dey laugh.
Epa, wait. You know why? The landlady will get my house, the woman will get my house. When I want make her, I called her and say, mama, I want make her. Now there she for call my mama darling. She fit this live video. Now there she for call to say, the woman will be they make our hair. She don't carry children run, no, go Germany. Nobody they do our hair again. Now so I tell you hear the story.
Oh wow, that makes it more perfect.
Yes,
Wait,
because I don't think on the talk story. Now so me tell here
You know what I like about you? You are a very truthful person. That make I like you. I dey like when person they talk truth. You go make the rest for them. They call the judge the issue. Now you tell here.
Epa, nobody judge issue. Epa, wait, I beg something. Nobody judge issue. I dey tell you say, I want make hair because I knew come the city. I can't tell my landlady say, mama, I be want do hair. Now she can't tell me, my mama Dali. Now she can't tell me say, the woman will be they do their hair. He don't carry children run go Germany. Now there the story costa we call the gist am. So when I know my husband, when my husband come they tell me about his past, now me come tell and say, now the woman be mama twins where they do hair. He can say yes. So now so that part stay there. You don't understand. So when I know my husband tell me he say I just married this woman for a year. He never reach 3 months when he take run. And the woman still talking with him. Say they marry him August 20 something. He go Germany by September something. That one not be my business. Even if say they marry her, they not marry her, or come but you not concern me. So it's been 12 years. This woman don't they drag this issue. If you thought say they drag you, did I know you? Have I met you? Do I have business with you? Why will you not think say I they narrate you? I they drag you? Bring proof of me dragging you without you not dragging me. Bring proof of me calling your name without you not calling my name. Bring it on, because I don't know you that you they call me husband snatcher. If not be me, even if you go to clear for outside, the man for still forgive you. No one way I know for inside. No one way I know. So I try my best to make sure say this thing work. It no work. He say no one make husband day. He no one make me I do. He no one make my children day. He want maybe say no let the man I day. And he all let them go be do family. Now my husband say okay. Children will never see for years. If you not go agree, make it greet, make it see your husband, make it be saying a family something. He no go agree. Men waiting happen for Munich 1960. No repeat itself when he tell you he had call police. I was in that conversation when my husband made that statement that day. Now I tell my husband, if you say you not go, you arrest. This one way they say no one may anybody they involve. You don't understand. Now so the matter take rest too. Before you know this man doc, if you just see where they talk about me, now she be number one way one climb up, he want contribute. Person will not know me. Now so that girl where they colon also te enter. Before you know you don't enter there, they tell that one say now so now me be Christian first wife. Now me collect your husband from. You they get me? No be say now me this man no where they tell they get issue. She judged her for 49 minutes without no calling my name, except say we know what they truthful yeah. No be say na me come we made the man leave her or we make she leave the marriage No be say na me come pikiko de siko or na me come oyibo come. I don't know nothing about this woman, nothing about those people. If I say I take try, she no green, not take her my ass. Anywhere where they drag me, she won't drag me. Me too now, I want drag her. But ever since we be say that matter te happen, Epa, I saw they do my topic for TikTok. I saw they do my thing. According to her, she say she blocked me. Me don't know where she dey see me say I disagara. Me don't know where she see me say I post a picture or I post a video where I tell they talk to her. If she let me, she dey cause the children, papa they go. The children go grow, say they say papa na idiot. No be my mouth there for year. The children go grow, me say they say their papa na this one. No be my mouth there for year and from their biological mother. So that is none of my business. Me don't know why she they choke me. Ask her now, what it concern her now? Concern the drag where they drag me now. Where she they carry you, carry me now, come meet you. Waiting she wants, waiting I do her.
She tell me, she said, whenever she talks about relationship issue, even if you say no mention your name, you must call drag her. Even when
Francis, when you come they do video without evidence of proof, according to you, where are the evidence she said to you when she tell they do relationship?
you say all the things one or two they talk and they write them down. If you don't finish now, me now you me go first they ask question before me you come bring her back again. No need for me to sit and you may go down. I'll come carry you up again to the ask you question. If you don't true now, me will come ask you question. Before me will come ask and say the video when you tell the player, I go like see the video. I not be small picking. I dey here, I dey observe and I dey write everything down. You don't finish, you don't true.
Epa, I don't true.
Okay. Well, thank you so much for honoring my invitation to even come explain your own side of the story. Allegedly, according to what some of my fans they write me for WhatsApp, they said there was a video you did. I don't know when you do them. Say the reason why you stopped your husband not to see his children when you don't feel both for outside. Now because the woman with their side, no, they allow you follow your husband go see the children. So that was why you said, okay, if this woman cannot allow you, which is mentality, to follow your husband, go to see children, then make your get her for mercy. Your phone.
Epa, you see the way you tell 7,000 people, so play the video, make I hear my voice talk am.
Allegedly, not they change my word. I said,
Okay, now allegedly.
Right to me, I can't put allegedly because there was no video.
So since no allegedly, Epa, mo just leave am for allegedly. I beg.
Okay, really, you don't know. So let's go back to what happened for Italy. According to what you explained to me from the beginning, you say you don't know anything about your husband and then this woman. You don't know anything about the issue. Say you will even give me the person number where you rent us for Italy. Now, let me tell you, you get some few words where you talk just now. When the thing told my memory, but I just want to make you finish before I ask you. Who is Mama Magdalene?
Mama Magdalene are the woman where I rent house for her house for the city where my husband dey.
Okay. That Mama Magdalene, so I think they relate to the house where your husband rent for the same city for Italy.
She not dey relate to house where my husband rent to.
So Mama Magdalene, can't they know what they happen for there?
Epa, this one a story where everybody know now. Epa, I fit conference with 7, 10, 20. They here, all of them they here. They your comment section now. This one not be waiting. You know here where she not thought that one for a year. When she tell us say all of them plan to come to Germany.
Okay. Let's assume say now what go viral for the city. Now, before you know your husband, you are directly telling us with what you said with your mouth that you don't already hear about Papa twins, but you never know who the person be.
Exactly.
Before you know.
Yes.
Oh, that simply means you yourself know, say, according to the way you hear the story, say get where for Germany. Automatically. And you told us here now that after you don't know your husband, you don't know anything that has to do with that woman and you and your husband. And you don't know anything. That it was even when you get belay, that was the first time the woman called you. So that now brings me to the question, really. I'll go where may I cut this thing just now before you tell me say I suppose where that may I cut this thing. Now, on the 3D. Someone that you have been hearing of, when that person toasts you,
Who be the person?
your husband, I believe now you toast your husband.
No, I just want to know. They ask. I feel toast banana
I
batty.
don't know toast you or you toast your husband. I don't know. But I believe in that moment when your husband tell you say get wife before, but you know they do. You don't already get that. You don't already capture that thing. Say, oh, this is the man that they are talking about, or not?
As at the time when the man tell me say, yeah, and the wife not there again.
No, I'm take this day now. They take me back again. As I want the man to toast you.
Yeah.
Tell me, yeah. I ask you a question. They tell me,
I
yeah.
know because no, Epa, it's not funny now because I won't understand you. Me, I not go answer you wrongly.
Oh, Mama Chidi, oh, you they confuse me. Ah, why you call the door and say you know that's not how they talk? Okay, I will explain again. You don't hear of this man for the city when this man dey, then you never know him.
Yeah.
Now, just wait, go for the area, say, oh, yeah, wife, get one or two, okay, the wife can go journey and all of that. When this man come toast you, when you realize that now that same man you come the year of, what was your as an answer to him? Like, do you have a wife that based in Germany? Did you say that or not?
The
And question
very
they asked me,
first day when me and my husband exchange words, now he tell me his story. They no break.
okay, both his wife own, yes, wife own, because you're not the male wife.
He
The
fits
very
be
day
first.
your husband met you was the day that he told you everything about him. Go reach the children when you born, go reach the ex-wife with the journey, right?
I said the very first day we communicate, where we talk. Now that very day, now he tell me say, see what happen. Now the way he tell narrate the story. Now me come and say, now you be mama twins where papa twins where they talk. I go come they like
That's
who
how
want
you
beat
do
me
it.
for you. I don't understand.
No, no, no. Now that's the thing you call us and the papa to they talk.
But yes, because I know the story when he they tell me.
Okay, then Mommy Terry, then where were you not telling me and every other person? Wait, they hear that since you have known your husband, you do not know about any issue that have to do with your husband and his ex-wife.
Now what for you? Is it not when I enter into the relationship I knew?
No, hold on. Now, what for me is a disrespect to me.
Oh, sorry, sir. Sorry.
Oh, now when you enter the relationship, you knew.
Yes, now.
Okay, you would have said it that now the day when you meet your husband, now that day you know everything because the way you explain now, you said it that now since 2015, now you can't no say woman born for your husband.
I didn't say that. If this thing is on record, I didn't say that.
No, Mommy, tell you the wait now. When you were explaining to me, just now, that's why I me you explain. You said it that when you met your husband, you did not have any IQ, anything that has to do with this woman and you. You said it now. Am I lying, people? You said it. Now when I call you ask you a question, you can't tell me, say, the very first day your husband told you, now that he explained everything to you, what you for tell me, be say, Epa, I know from onset about my husband and his ex-wife. Not be you can't tell me say now when you don't get belle already, now you can't tell no.
Nine.
Yeah, show me now.
Oh, thank you, Omire, thank you very much. Thank you so much. As you said, 2014. Like I said, now when I know my husband 2014, Epa, I go cut this part when they argue for you later.
Let me tell you this, say what you talk. You say you enter Europe September 14, 2013. Yes? Then you can't know your husband October 1st, 2014. Then in April 2015, now that woman take call you. You listen and they keep records. I go that woman, which is your husband's wife, I go say ask her questions. And that's you keep. But now you me they ask questions now. Say now 2015 you can't agree. Say the woman called you. Now when you call it shots, your husband can't tell you say now he ex-wife for the company as now your husband can't explain to you from that on April 2015 say he get ex-wife. So automatically, you did not tell us from the beginning that you know the story between your husband and his ex-wife. You said 2015, and you met your husband 2014. It is on record. That one don't pass. Not beside they blame you. You not be small picking. I know you scared with you. I know they tell you say so until you talk now. Then the last one, when I go still tell you, we say You say you tried all you could to make sure, say your husband did those children life. That you were trying to reunite those children, not your husband and the woman. Say the woman not agree. That was what you said. Abi, I still lie.
If I go lie for you, I don't go feel lie for you.
The main reason why that woman not agree was because of the issue that was going on even before you come into the picture.
So why is she not telling people saying that me make the man or they see the children?
Wait, when a woman is hot, probably maybe you do not know what happened according to what you explain since. Maybe now few your husband tell you.
God of Israel. It's okay.
Wait, now few your husband tell you. Wait, now we not this bias for I go still bring the woman up just now. She not know me. Before I go put barrister, join my name. I don't go to the school of barrister. And when people they talk to me, my ears are always open. In case of anything, they always they jot the points down. I believe say if I come up for track for years, it's my fast for all the paper. No, that was not what she said. Everything that I've said here is what you told me. You, as the new wife, and as your husband's ex-wife. Because there was a time when your husband take put money for her head. And as at when your husband take put money for that woman's head, as at then they never put money for your head. Because your husband...
Me don't call Europe that time.
No, nah, stop nah. Not be you don't call Europe. You never call Europe 2014. Not 2014.
Now 2014 they do the marriage. As though I don't know, no verse.
No. But until the wait. You want they try to bend my issue and they think they pay me. You not go feel know your husband today, make your husband go put money for your head tomorrow.
I don't understand. You they say, oh God.
Let me make you understand. Calm down, make you they understand. Before you came into the picture, even after you don't hear your husband's story, before you come with your husband, and from the very first day when your husband see you, now that same day your husband tell you everything. As at that time your husband they tell you everything, so your husband never put money for your head that time.
Why I leave the light? You won't like that.
Your husband never put money for your head that time. Automatically, your husband's ex-wife was still a wife to your husband as at that time. We must be sincere to ourselves whenever we are in a case like this. That is why I am not a biased person, my sister. I love you so much. I do not hold any grudges against you, but when issue come like this, say it. If my matter come talk, not as like my friend. Say it. I love truth. This year, one of my resolutions is truth. You and your husband go don't go far for like maybe 1 or 2 years before he can go finally pay your right price. Meanwhile, on the other hand, that woman was already a wife to your husband. Now, because of the issue, when you and your husband can't get, now he can make her get boyfriend. According to the woman just now, she said it was not her wish to have a boyfriend, but circumstances, she can't go do 1 or 2. She still be want to make the relationship work. After she don't do 1 or 2, but your husband not come agree again. As at then, they never see put money for your head. Meaning, your husband was still a married man because they never divorced. When you come in as a girlfriend before your husband come make you a wife, that one goes still fall for the other side. The last word when you talk before you will come down. Now, should I give your husband 30,000 euro? They can sort them out. If it is true, say your husband they pay those children money small, because for Jenny they see rate, probably maybe the person they owe something and they say, see how much I think they pay every month. So I don't know that they in that country, but for Jenny it day. This woman said something just now before she goes down that she has single-handedly took care of those children from the last time your husband set eyes on those children to date. Then, according to what you talk, you say, your husband spend rich. Your husband come to say, he not go feed the spend for children when he know the see. Automatically, your husband stop the payment of those children. You said it with your own mouth. That was what you said. Abi, I still left for that one.
Epa, no be waiting I talk. Oh. I say as at the time when my husband they sort that biz, he get where he sort
Yes.
and reach. He can't request say if he no fit they see those children, he no go fit continue. So they can't carry.
What I'm talking about?
But you can't say he can't stop. Now why would you use the word automatically stop? Why? Did I tell you he stop? You should have asked.
Wait. Best mommy twist.
You they conclude. You know. Ask me. Why are you concluding?
You not go fit continue and don't stop. Not be the same thing.
Nine. You could have asked. You say he don't stop. You see they pay. Jama go say you put money. Now you want to Jama say you want stop. He only let complain and said if he not go fit they see those children, he not go fit continue to pay for children when he know they see. That was why they not transfer them from that place to this place just for them to fit get easy access. Because
Okay, I understand. Meaning what we're trying to say now is that the date your husband is still paying those children's kindergarten. Okay.
Yeah, when he tell you say now he make me they cry. No be here if I tell you the word when you know fit tell and say that is an insult. You know here when he talk say now money when my husband they pay now make me they cry.
No, not they use those words. Not be saying when I not fit tell her, she was still explaining. Because me go soon bring you down and make me bring her up. Make me call the question her too. Because not be only you I will question. That's how I do my thing. But as it be you, I need to question you. So meaning your husband see they pay those children kindergarten. I God will bless your husband for that particular one. So Mommy Tori D, with what I have gathered so far, and with what your opponent has explained, Mommy Tori D, you see this life all this one. Sometimes not this crash body, the way it is crash person. If there's crash and go peel. You have never lied to me before, and I don't know why you did it this evening. But all I have to tell you, my beautiful sister, is that now when I don't talk for this issue today, I want you people to separate forever. If you have every right to talk everything you want to say, because you be person wife, nobody has right to tell you not to say anything. And as you get right to talk about anything, now so every other people still get right to talk about anything. That one at one point. Number two, if this woman, they talk about anything that has to do with relationship, do I say no, sir? Madam, I will also bring you up. If Mommy Tori D still they talk about relationship, not also they cut it because you don't still marry, madam. When you married, eh? Mommy Tori D husband is no longer your husband. That is why when you were referring to Mommy Tori D husband as your husband, I was telling you, say your ex. For the fact that you are married, anything that has to do with Mommy Tori D and her husband, you will still do it like say you know still. This is my verdict for Mommy Tori D. When I bring Mama T up.
Hold on, I beg, wait. You see, I know you now your word that they use every time for my platform say evidence of proof. Epa, you see this word where you talk for where 7,000 plus people they so. If this woman don't feel provide you evidence when she tell they talk about relationship, when me come carry come my plan, Epa, I they talk, I don't feel talk my mind.
You talk. Wait first. All the questions when they ask you since, now you tell me ask you.
Epa, no, but this particular one, people will believe
Not
her.
remind me. I go ask her, not remind me. If they remind me, you go say they talk for my mouth.
Epa, I say me I remind you. It's okay.
No, why you remind me? Am I a baby?
No one, no problem, pa.
My person remind me, I ask you the question when I ask you.
No verse.
Yeah.
Come
All
on,
right.
I believe, but I think it concern me.
Thank you so much, Mommy Tori D, for coming to my platform. And I appreciate the fact that you come to my platform. May God Almighty bless you. For a year. They're not they left for a year. Oh, what I told you about. How about the man? So, Mama T, please, you should bring Mama T up for me. Mama T, you people should bring Mama T up for me. Please. You people should bring Mama T up for me. Please. Okay. I beg, Mama T, moderator, won't help me bring her up for me. Man, I don't have Mama T for ground already. Make her for stay and they talk her from there. Power tap and share the live stream. I need to drink Pami. Pami, straight Pami. With the little TV wearing the crown. Energy family TV. We the salute, the vibe is real. The joy is absolute energy family TV. The place to be. Be this one they call me with the karaoke. Yeah. Clear road for the one and only energy. Waiting on the TV in the building. Make we enjoy. Make we jolly. Waiting, may I bring mommy this thing up? Waiting. Wanna bring Mama Titi for me, I beg. Oh yeah, listen. Yeah. Oh, when the day long and you need a smile, just click the link, stay for a while. From London City down to the Niger Street, this not the place where the joy complete. Content creator with the golden hand, spreading the love across the land. No darling moments, no time for frown. Energy family TV wearing the crown. Energy family TV, we the salute, the vibe is real. The joy is absolute. Energy family TV, the place to be. Karaoke, come join the family. It's sweet like sugar, it better like honey. Bringing the laughter, you don't need the money. Everything soft, everything set. The best kind of vibe you never see it. Blog away, sabi, comedian too. The magic they do, we go carry you go. Whether not reels or the video link. Pure entertainment, no time to think. 100% the people they talk. Now quality walk, where we they walk. From crazy state, the signal they reach. Better life, now waiting we they preach. If you define what it... Mama Titi, if you not come up, may I give you your wrong for you. No, yeah, oh, if I go down first,
I know, see, I want to tell you, say, me you call Mama Titi for phone, me come. She never
okay.
feel say whether she don't go sleep off.
Okay.
Now make I come.
Mama Titi, I just put that song for just make she for come up. Mama Titi, where are you? Please, oh, who they coming? Stop calling. Hello, Mama Titi.
Social media person. Request.
Okay. The request. Okay, we wait you. Okay. Hey, I'm not gonna like that song. It reached 4 people who don't use me single. Where I use the clip from the beginning now. Different ones. Energy family TV. If you want to do a very fun Energy family TV. Always open, no closing time. Everything standard, everything prime. Yeah, we are following. I beg you, where is Mama Titi? Okay. Please, nobody should call me for the now. No transfer. All right. Before we, Mama Titi, you are welcome.
Thank you.
All the things where you talk since, now I begin to ask you questions. Because man way people that gather 3 children together, before that man will call the act strange to you, there must be something that might have gone wrong. It's either from you or from him. Wait till make your husband change. Somebody who gather suffer on Libya.
My ex.
What made him? Yes, sorry, your ex-husband. What till make him change?
Epa, number one, you can't predict anybody in this life.
Yes.
Anything can change, even water change to wine, change to soup. Anybody fit change. So it change. I can't say the reason why it change. I not fit talking. Maybe when they suffer, it was nice. Maybe as in they find miss or way to enter abroad. I cannot say that. Now you know what it make can change. Now you know what it make can turn everything upside down. That is the first question. I think I have something to say before you.
No, wait. Before you talk, I still ask you several questions.
Yeah, before you ask me question, Laura, there's something she said I wanted to debunk.
Wait. No, wait.
Okay.
Before you go begin on the debunk, make I ask you questions first. If I don't ask you questions, finish, then you will come the like, oh, there's something she said that I want to. I will not say by then. We want to do a jury for you. We do the way it be. Okay, now we don't answer my first question. That Ghana man, who your husband tell you then,
Okay.
say you want to rent your ass with your girlfriend. Do you have the number of the Ghana man?
Mm.
Do you have the number of the Ghana man? You get the number.
The Ghana man,
Your
na
ex-
two Ghana man involved. Na two Ghana
your
man involved.
ex-husband.
One na your friend. The other one na the one we come rent house. About the one we come rent house, now the man tell me. So I don't forge am. Now the man tell me.
Okay,
What should they talk
the man
about?
wey come later. Now the man tell you, but you don't see the Ghana man one day.
No, because anybody who won't come rent the apartment, they always give me a last. Now this person they come on. As the first one come out, he won't bring the second person again. If he and those children all day, why informing the person before bringing someone? Number one question. Number two, she said she came 2014.
No,
Papa
no,
Laura.
wait, never.
Papa Laura, muda what man up, please,
Wait
pardon me.
first, no, wait first. Never the bulk.
Okay.
Because when she explain finish, I couldn't ask them questions. I don't want me to be saying we want to take side or we want to be biased.
Okay.
You told me that anytime you take do video, she will do video to come reply you. That video when you do, if you send that for me, I'm the one who should take reply you.
Okay. First of all, if you go to our Facebook, I'm not a medium person. A lot of people know me. I'm not this social media. Even the man talking, me, I'm not be social media person. I feel do video now, and I feel not like her. I feel delete her. Or later, if I play, a lot of them like that, I delete from my phone. So, not one, not two, not three. They always they insult me. Even before me come out, she don't they call me Utu. Before me.
For year, we dey believe in evidence of proof.
Yeah, me, I'm not the media person, no. But if you enter our Facebook, our own Facebook, Papa Laura.
Wait, Mudiane, if I enter a Facebook, not
Okay.
be waiting.
Okay, sorry, you feel not enter.
Like,
Those people that
enter, if I say you, they tell me make I go.
okay, let's say I just send you message. Okay,
go blow, not be message. You go be like say you dey stress me. I go dey look for the video when you take call reply you.
Okay.
The video when you call take okay. The first video when you do when you see you get that one for phone too, or they on TikTok for me.
Me, I know they do video for TikTok. I they delete all my things. So I don't be the media person because I feel say those things not important to me. That's number one.
No.
Number two,
No.
I don't feel like a lot of people. Papa Laura, may I talk now, beg?
We talk with now, madam, yo. You see, if we dey do anything for you, we must do it the way it is.
A lot of comment section are saying me that
people are
it's true.
saying it's true, it's true.
It is true now.
It is going to only be true if I see a video.
Okay, I think the one
If I
she
do
and
not
her
see a
husband
video,
did.
wait. If I do not see a video of you talking and she replying, then it's not true to me. It's not true
Okay.
to me.
Okay, if that one not be true to you, the one where she apologize to me, where she say I do video, she like the video. That is why
apology. So now that one ask
Wait,
now,
so-
that
wait.
apology.
Wait.
I apologize to you.
wait, I have a lot of video of her when she bully my children and called them prostitute. I have that video. I have the video when I did my doctor 10 years birthday. I celebrated that with limousine because of what she
Wait,
passed through.
You bully your kids.
She bullied my kids. I have the video. I have it. She
What
called
did
them.
you do to
She
her?
was, I did not
That
do
made-
anything. Hey, Laura, this thing, that is why I'm here. The reason why I am here, I did not do anything to this woman. First and foremost, she were calling me Osunde for years. When I start my prayer online, I have this thing online. She came 3 weeks interval. I think I will still have the picture if I've not deleted that thing. She came and wrote something with your stretch mark. You come out with all the nonsense life where you don't live. You come the brakato. They turn that way go fire way go fire my enemy, not be me. if they do exercise for whether or not their place in make sure that if they do exercise, I screenshot them. Person say how they talk to me, I just they throw all those things. I think last year, we go my club, we go party. This one just last year. She come on TikTok. Now me they avoid her, not be she they avoid me. I write up intelligent ladies. She came on my comment section and said, Mumu, we not get certificate of primary 6. They talk about intelligent Ozuo. Then I replied her and said, your father, your mother, your entire family are Ozuo. Then I deleted her own. Then I block her.
Mama Titi.
Then, Epa, she said I me the bully her. Now that area they did.
Mama Titi, wait. Mama Titi, wait. Great Enoge lovers, we are priceless. Anything that is being done here without an evidence of proof is not true. Please. If we
I have proof of the voice record.
Mama Titi, wait. If everybody is writing is true here, meaning we are biased people. Meaning we are not taking side because maybe you people have one or two with more material that I don't know.
Okay.
Whatever we are doing here without an evidence of proof is not confirmed to be true.
Let me play one voice note of my husband.
Evidence is being proven.
Okay.
That is the reason why people don't like me, because sometimes you will want me to say the way you want it, and I cannot say it the way you want it.
I don't even want you to please me, my brother. If I want you to wait.
No, wait, Mama Titi. I can only please you. Already, I'd already give her my wrong since say you were already a wife, even they never ever put money for her head before she take in.
A lot of lies. A lot of lies. Lots.
I'd already quarreled with her since already.
Yeah, I did.
Do you understand?
Papa Laura, you want proof, but let me give one of the proof. I think I don't have all, but when it's funny, we're always full. But listen to this. If I have ever sent this kind of record to her or to her husband, you should bring it out. One of them.
Rhoda did not bring evidence. That was the reason why I told you that she liked me.
Laura, Mutia Ori Laura.
Lovette no fear.
Can you hear?
Don't look back. He no fear like me. No know whether na in the thing say I be small pikino or na she carry me con Europe or I don't understand or whether na by who fair don't reach abroad though who don't spend 20 something years. I don't understand how because now your wife as una claimed if una not get a work for your village. I told you the last time where me for come we they get what they call.
Who send this message?
She sent this message to my husband, and a lot of it, I have it.
Your present husband.
My present husband, she they call my present husband. She they call. Papa Laura, she they call. Call. This one now on a record, but she they call. She call my husband reach 3 times. She talk and say, even though
I take your present husband
I am
number.
telling you what is happening behind the camera. Let me explain some areas to you.
Explain how you take your present husband number.
That Roland where you talk about. Roland and me, we were going to descend church, Omega Church SN. Now there I do my marriage. Roland happened to be the, I think, male leader. If I'm not male leader and or children teacher, no, children teacher, now be. So in there, I get phone everybody. Where they there? If you drop your parents' phone number, I believe. Oh, now waiting. I believe. So now wrote now that boy give her my husband number, but they later have problem. And this is a person that me I will cook. I go give her because we they go the same church. Then I never know say now they are relative. I don't know them. Now when you can send me friend request for Facebook, Roland Iyasere, I can't check and say this will not be this man brother. I know. Accept her till tomorrow. I not accept that request. Then, as I can't see, I can't watch all the view, all the people with the friends where you get. I said, "I'm Christian brother. As I not go come, I not go join these people. I don't want their request." So as we reach church, anything where they won't do for church, they put my children for front because the kids are so pretty and so intelligent by the grace of God. So you always they put the children for front all the time. The day where they won't do children program. You can't call me because they give the children assignments. So now I can't tell them. Say, Roland, you know me? You say, no, mama, you don't know you. I said, so you don't know me? You say, no. I said, okay, never to tell where you come abroad anyway. I know where you take on. Now I tell them, say, now your brothers, now your brother children, maybe this one. The boy, the whether na man, whether na boy, I call, I don't know, say, because they behave like boys sometimes. They can't, they cry. Ah, now you be mama twins. Mama. I saw the man can't, they cry. I tell him, it's okay, we are going to the same church. I also tell my husband, because this man where I deal with, it be like a bonus to me. Bonus. But now what is she want? May she cut into two. How can my own ex-wife, not even the ex-mao, say maybe now you won't communicate, maybe as me and him get quanta. Many things.
Mama Titi, I got the point now.
Okay. Now, dear.
Wait. Not be one day matter. Mommy Tiri, I know say you go to listen to this issue where they go on here. So.
When
we are the one who ask for proof, Mommy Tiri, when I wait to. You know, say sometimes I might be going wrong, and my people, which is my moderator, they'll put me back to track. I was asking Mommy Titi for evidence of proof. And Mommy Tiri has not given me any evidence of proof to back up all her explanation. Despite say where she for wrong, I don't tell her. Mommy Tiri, if by tomorrow we raise this issue again, I would love you to also bring your whole evidence of proof. Because you requested that she should go and bring a video. How could I even ask this woman for evidence without you not giving me an evidence? I am apologizing to all my fans that are watching me right now because I just wrong today. By asking Mama Titi to go and bring evidence. Whereby Mama Titi, your use my talking, not bring evidence.
Yeah, me I not argue now. Because I gave
apology accepted. I am a human and blood go through my vein. It's not easy. When I do here like this, I feel they make mistake. If I must ask Mama Titi for evidence of proof, Mama Titi, you go and give me your own evidence too. You told me that you are going to send me the Ghana man number. May I confirm from her about saying na he correct us, na you and a correct us. You said it, but you never send me evidence of proof. No one is perfect. Please forgive me. Yes.
Papa Laura.
1 minute, Mama Titi, good evening. That when Mama Boa follow me, I was observing. Okay, let me speak because of people. I always follow up this matter, even when your ex-husband, your ex-husband, well, they apologize to you, Mama. You know this platform, they very sincere. I don't wear no tell me what I did not like about you, madam. You never come out on your whole personal issue. Only when they are dragging your ex-husband wife, now you take the come out. You never just come out on your whole, and which is very bad, madam. If I be person say my husband first get wife, I come married to my husband. The woman when they come out on you, only when they are dragging me. Only anytime they drag that woman.
No.
Now I think they see her. No. Now what I see now?
No.
Now what I see?
If I understand you perfectly, no.
Anytime anybody want to drag her, now this woman they come out. Now I think they see her.
According to this woman.
Yes.
This woman say anytime. This woman not get because say you don't go date Mommy Tiri the husband. This woman not get freedom of speech.
I never said for any platform, apart from the drag.
I
never said for any platform. Only when
Mama Titi, wait, please. Mama Titi.
I never said for any platform.
No, only wait. This woman, Mama Titi, say whenever.
Not true.
Wait. Leave all the they look comment to the judge. If you look comment, you go there by
I never see her.
Let me tell you, whenever this woman drops a comment or she talk, according to this woman,
yes,
she say Mommy Tiri go attack her, though there was no evidence of videos proving yet. Then on the other hand, Mommy Tiri even use the man talk her husband and say, if this woman drag her, she will drag the woman.
Yeah.
So she still drag her anytime, any day. Adam, this woman can send us voice note. He can send me voice note. They play one voice note just now say, Mommy Tiri did get a present husband number. So, if you want to say this, you go first go into details first before you tell this woman say you never see her for platform. This woman don't go people platform.
You know what it is? This one talk just like should they listen. It says that they talk about single mother. Now you can see come out. Now momentarily they drag her.
Why momentarily go drag her as they talk about single mother?
Now let me want to hear Laura. When I talk about when you and your husband get issue, I talk, but he drag me. I give me a Latina. Man, decide before I do anything, she don't come out.
Let me tell you, wait. In this platform, we say the weight.
Yes, now. Yes.
Regardless of who that person is.
Yes, I know.
Mommy 3D is married
Yeah.
to his ex-husband. And this woman is married to another man. So this woman not get her to talk for single mother matter.
No, if
no, on yes or no?
Of course, you get her to talk.
So what are you saying?
But yes, all husband, wife, na matter lead to the single mother.
You know, yeah, waiting this woman.
Na matter lead to the single mother.
You know, yeah, waiting this mama Titi they talk since say. That's why I say this matter will not finish over finish. So they will carry.
Now because of me, the single matter come now.
You know, yeah, waiting this like doesn't have because of her.
Now because of me, that 30,000 they never pay. They go cut oh. You gonna be me bana ye Laura. We may be no sunuma.
Because of Friday.
There are still a lot of evidence. When we got to hear from Mommy 3D, when we still got to hear from this woman, the way the thing can be because of time, probably we can put it tomorrow. Not to say now when the woman take they come. Now
what did they see? Now what did I say?
No, because according to what you talk now, be say now because this woman talk for single mother issue. Let me Mommy 3D attack her. Mommy 3D.
What I mean is that and waiting for the saga Mommy 3D. Now for the CD school all the time.
The saga Mommy 3D for you.
No, for the people, for other people platform.
No, not concern you.
When that cause the issue now.
No, honey.
Not the equal matter. Yeah, Laura, I understand Nana. Yeah, Laura,
understand.
Yeah, Laura. I understand. Go me explain my way. A single mother na Jena. It was because of me.
This woman here is no longer a wife to Mommy 3D husband. It's not an ex. Mommy 3D is not the wife of this man.
This one don't marry him. The man don't marry. What you call the court fight for how many years?
Now because of the money when they pay me.
You don't marry. That man don't marry. When they brief fight, we not brief
if you want to talk us something they brief fight, you go talk us to their two.
Let me talk. So this
you
man
say when they brief fight between Mama Titi
and
no talk. Not be say you're not director to one particular person.
Okay, Laura, see wetin they bring fight. Yeah, Laura Mudia, we know what they bring fight now. She now they explain to the government say I be single mother. Did she tell the government say I don't marry? I they receive letter now.
You don't already state the reason why you not married by law because you told us here that if you marry by law, automatically your children's son name will now be changed.
Will not change. You understand? My husband not be.
Come bear your another your another man name.
My husband, my present husband name. Now my children no go fit bear and they get their papa. May they carry their papa name.
You are a nice woman.
They are still bearing the name, regardless of anything they are doing to me. They are bearing Gable till today.
You are a
she
nice
went
woman.
to social media and said I'm lying. This, that. They are still bearing the name.
I bet you know if you ask this woman whether she be single mother. Since you said that she be
wait,
make me the video.
I don't know why they bring you.
You know if you ask that person, say this woman, since you say now you
when you say now 2014, you know your husband. I came to Germany March 2014. I just left, then you enter. 2014, area Germany. Immediately I left, then you came. 2014.
Who bring Mommy 3D?
2014 March. Area Germany. And you married to this man October 2014. Abemuna help me check the gap. The same year.
We don't need quarrel with her since for that one. That's why I question.
There is the limit of truth.
Epa, you ask whether she be single mother. Why did they drop me?
Now me you there. Everybody know
nobody should drop Mommy 3D. Mommy 3D wait.
I better not bring her more. Laura Law. As we they do and since you go.
Who they drop her? Why we drop her now? Me.
No, I not fit here now. Saga go come now. I not fit. I love the maintain myself.
Come down, sis. Mama Titi wait. Mama Titi wait. You talk and just now say Yeah, I'm go yari. Oh, one I go bring
Epa,
Mommy the enemy. One I go bring Mommy the enemy. One I go come up for here be that. Go here, Mommy the are currently. When I want bring go here, come because the saga Mommy the for here.
The same 2014 we lag one where
Moderator.
man sure. That one don't pass, but leave me and my children. Leave
What
my
the moderator?
children. Leave me. I
See,
just know my
Mama
freedom.
Titi. Mama Titi. Mama Titi.
See me, oh.
I still say this issue. Not be waiting go finish for today. There are still a lot of things where we really need to go into. May we check why these two women they are married to different men and they are still having issues. Yes,
A lot. When she talk
yes.
about
We really
the
need to go in details.
yeah,
So for that situation with Mama Titi, this matter is hereby adjourned till tomorrow 5 o'clock in the evening. I'll put it up so that before that time I go personally do some waka.
if I beg 5 o'clock,
People
5 o'clock not dey okay for me. Oh.
People will know there for the city.
E no
Wey
dey.
know there go clear.
Nike call iwe si umamweko domo.
Mere la video.
Were la video. Okwoni ge Mommy Titi di nu wa mu ye line. Emi ya no ta lo si on ero yen ta. E Mommy Titi e jeje ma bo ekin. Ne mata na kesu no pe ni ke won again.
English pidgin.
So that Mommy TV everything where she they talk about, everything from the end to the beginning, everything a lie. You see this woman where they up so we because
That person tell her sis now.
yeah, we because the but make she talk true, make she not they lie. See, she say if they bring a juju paper, say whether my sister go feel swear tomorrow. That juju paper, make she bring her. If my sister not go, I go stand for my sister. I go swear. You understand?
You don't need to swear. You don't need to swear.
Wait. If please. Because if you they beat Percy every day, you not go say me not cry. Oh. My sister not date TikTok. She not date TikTok. Even when this girl bring this my sister to TikTok, now me will call my sister say that they beat you for TikTok. Call enter TikTok. My sister say she not get what she want to do with TikTok. She not like her. Facebook where she for they do her prayer is okay for her. So now Mommy TV now I drag my sister enter TikTok. You understand? Even my sister, she not even they talk to her. That girl, I remember video where she did. She swear that day. He said she not fit there alive. Where his husband go they take care of his children. Not be money where she they suffer for. She said it. Even when she carry my sister children, she dey lay cause for his children head. Not be my sister children head. No cause where that girl not lay. As far as say this man, no, pa no get. He get where matter go reach, pa no get beg. As I say Peter so
Don't insult the children here.
Epa, you don't see video where she take insult my children.
Not before my platform for insult your children. So why
I get the proof. I get the proof. I get
no.
Send the proof to Epa.
I'll send them.
I beg, Mama Titi, your sister only one big lost dream. You have no right to insult the children here. Not be here for insulting your sister children now.
okay, if I no guess, I did sorry. No vex, nah. May anybody not drop me, no vex.
Allow anybody carry me or person because they insult my children from Mommy Titi. One on one, me I can't do for the
Epa no vex. All the video where she takes.
They insult you for her presence now. You know.
We get her. Oh, we get the video.
They not insult you for her presence. Not allow.
Who insult me for a present for Mommy Titi?
Later, don't worry.
Yeah.
Okay.
For where for happen?
God go bless you. Oh, God go bless you.
See the live video. There is
you know
for
they
a
want
present
that guy
now.
live video as he take to bully my sister. You know the kind
They
bully where
insult
don't
you
give
for
my
a live
sister.
video. Yes.
Ray Laura, if I'm not a strong woman, another thing would have been a lot.
You know bully where don't give this woman.
You know,
If this woman not strong,
you know how many years?
she go carry BPO.
Oh Jesus!
More
Even the
talk,
call, I go dey work. I go dey work. She go dey call me for work.
More talk, Epa Domo, Waya Domo.
Boya a family member to Mommy Titi or Mama Titi.
No, I will not be biased. I'll be blunt, Epa. I'll be very blunt and straightforward in it. Okay? First of all, good morning, good afternoon, wherever your location is. It's me, Goya, that's talking, aka Sigo, mother of two different baby father, or you born and Blackie before I see us. Epa, please, can I talk? Please, I just give me
Every conversation, I go bring Goya come. Goya, what do you want to say?
Wala oh, Epa.
What do you want to Goya?
You talk now.
Okay. Epa, let's be blunt, okay? You know, so you always stand for truth. This not be saga now, more just this. I know they support anybody now blunt. Epa, this case, you don't know this case right from time. Epa, you don't know. We don't date this TikTok. Even before we know Mommy Tiri now, says diploma matter. Now I don't think they see Mommy Tiri they talk about this woman.
Thank you.
God bless you.
I tell you, say, you not know this case. Me not before know this Mommy T. I'm not sure they get enoge. That time when